Oh yeah, 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 oh yeah. We're back. It's Fresh Gas Friday. It's Fresh Gas Friday. We're getting party. We're gonna party. We're gonna party. We're gonna make some money. We're gonna make some money. It's Fresh Gas Friday. What's good? What's good? What's good? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Hello. Hello. How y'all doing? What's poppin'? We are back for another day, another dollar. I'm excited for Fresh Cash Friday. I don't know about you guys. I woke up this morning, 5 a.m. I did my stuff. I got ready. I got tight. I got right. And now we're here, ready for another day of action in the Nasdaq. Overnight, not a massive move overnight. So that's kind of like, get me a little excited. I feel like this is a kind of like a big old bull flag here. This kind of overnight move here, right? Friday, go to the moon day. Makes sense, hey? A. I'm a rapper, I'm a rhymer. Either way, it's Friday. Wow, did I just rhyme all of that? Was that just like the perfect rhyme ever? Am I the best rhymer, rapper ever on YouTube? Well, let's go. Bow, 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 bow. Good afternoon from the UK. I was just actually on the driving simulator and was driving a rally course in the UK. So kind of like I was just in the UK basically. When you think about it, like kind of, I was there, you know, in the simulation. Good afternoon from Spain. Wow, man, we are worldwide. It's so cool to see all of the people saying what's up, what's good, good morning, hello, hello. How y'all living? Any deals today? I mean, I don't know, man. It's Friday, bro. Just relax, enjoy the show, man. Enjoy the show, you know? Just enjoy the show, people. Enjoy it. Enjoy it. Peace. Peace, peace, peace.
Saluting face, starstruck.
Starstruck. There you go. That's a good way to look at it. She's starstruck. Looking at the whole market right now, what do we got? Look at the hourly chart. We got the ES up top here. Kind of looking, like I said, kind of that big old bull flag looking thing. Same thing for the Nasdaq. Very similar charts. Nasdaq, ES here. Yeah, the Dow right now also very similar setup as well. We've got Nvidia down there kind of holding up. So it's time to party. All right. What's your all-time favorite car? Somebody going, good afternoon from India. I don't know, should I putting him in timeout? You going to timeout, Mr. India boy. You going to timeout, Mr. India. Hey Patrick, can you make more merch hoodies? More merch hoodies? You want hoodies? It's about to be wintertime. Maybe we'll make a BDH hoodie. A hoodie. Who came up with the name Hoodie? That's the question. I gotta look this up now. I'm actually interested. Where did the word hoodie come from? Hoodie. Hoodie hoo. Hoodie hoo. 1990s. 1990s, it says on Wikipedia. It's an abbreviation for a hooded sweatshirt. The name hoodie entered popular usage in the 1990s. The term is also loosely used in British and Irish English to describe a hooligan or a thug. But where did it come from? Who came up with the word hoodie? That's what I want to know.
Here's
Look at that.
1% from my first ever payout.
First ever payout, 1%. Let's go. Hey, you get a payout, you know what to do. 1% to the BDH, baby. 1% to the BDH. You gotta help me help you. I gotta buy more cars. I gotta buy more. Wait, you think it came from Robinhood? I don't think so. Robinhood? Indiana. I like it. All right, Nasdaq. Like I said, we kind of broke out of that downward trend, the overnight high right now. We kind of already took out. I mean, it's kind of like this weird thing. Like, where do you, wait a second. Hold on a second. Hold on, chat. So like, if we're looking at the chat, like, do we say overnight high is like here, 8 a.m.? Or is it like here? You know, it's like this weird thing. Because I consider it's like the pre-market high. But I guess maybe it's the overnight high. I guess it's both, but either way. Good evening from Japan. Oh, Lord. Is it OPEX today? Oh, no, not anything but OPEX. Kind of had a, someone said an inverse head and shoulders. I like it. Ding, ding. We broke out here, the neckline. Oh, lordy, lordy, lordy. Lordy, lordy, lordy. Yeah, today is September 19th. Quad witching. September 19th, quad witching. A lot of options expiring. Are we gonna visit all-time highs again? Maybe. If you don't know about what OPEX is basically the you get a deadline for like monthly, weekly, and quarterly options expiring or to be settled. Normally most monthly option contracts expire on the third Friday of the month, but this can shift due to holidays. So they say these days can sometimes create volatility as traders adjust positions, especially during quadruple witching days in March, June, September, and December. So today is one of those days. You can see March 21st, June 20th, September 19th, and then December 19th being OPEX days for 2025. So be aware of that. We think about that. We be ready for that. You know, we be thinking about it. We be trying to stay alive today. Choppity McChopperson Day, you know, Mr. McChopperson. I'm trying to avoid the chop. Trying to avoid the chop. Oh, you can see what I'm typing. Don't forget about the giveaways. Someone said, how will that affect the market? Well, I mean, I would say that It could be choppy. We might just be stuck in a range today, right? I mean, it kind of makes sense. Had this big move up. We had FOMC yesterday. We didn't really go anywhere yesterday. I'd say we were kind of just pretty choppy there yesterday as well. So Friday, quad, triple, is it a triple witching or quad witching? See profit, take profit kind of day. I like that. Good way to look at it. Good way to look at it, you know. Either way, it's Friday, so it's like, hey, don't go chasing waterfalls on a Friday. You know what I mean? By the way, next week, I got to put it in here somehow. Got to put it in here. See if I can pull it up this way, maybe. Next week, we have the battle of the sex. So we got 2 female traders, and they are coming to the BDH next week. It's gonna be big. Big, big, big. You know how we do. It's always big. They're gonna be battling it out. Trading. That's right. They're gonna be trading in the hopes of winning $25,000. The biggest, the largest, that's right. We're having the battle of the female traders. We got 2 women coming to the BDH. This is going to be the showdown of 2025. That's right. Terry Trades, Trades by Arena, happening next week live at the BDH, 9 a.m. Eastern. The biggest battle ever. $25,000 on the line. That's right. One trader will walk away with $25,000 cash here at the BDH. That's right. That's right. The big, the battle, the biggest, the largest, coming to the BDH. Ah! Hopefully, I'm hoping that it turns out well, to be honest. I'm hoping that day one I don't end up just like getting pissed off and wanting to just kick everybody out. Hopefully. You should put their faces on that promo. I mean, tell only prop firms in the chat. That's my little Filipino man. He said that it was a bad idea to put their faces on there. He said my face is more iconic. So you can argue with him. I didn't make it. Blame the little Filipino man. Look, see, only prop firms said they don't have headshots. He said Ginger said that's not accurate, Mr. Filipino man. Get better headshots, Mr. Filipino man. Use AI. How about that, Mr. Filipino man? Make the AI. 12 kilobit. But you know, honestly, it was probably something going. Ginger probably messed it up somehow. Something ain't right. Is Tori going to be there? No Tori trades. Trades by Arena and Terry trades. We got 2 T's, but no Tori. Do you not trade pre-market? I try not to be honest. I try to stay out of the pre-market moves. Sometimes I'll trade it if we have news or the market's like really got a good setup. I mean, this right here, maybe this is kind of a bull flag. We push up, you know, maybe from here like 780s, but we're kind of running into resistance. We are at the overnight high right now. We got the view off to the downside, the close from yesterday. I don't really see anything that like really gets me excited to want to take a trade right now. So bring Tori and battle out with her, guys. That would be like me fighting a small child. You know, I'm not even battling it out with those girls next week. I don't know why nobody understands that, like, I'm the best to ever do it. If another trader comes to the BDH, I guarantee you they'll just freeze up. I've already offered $250,000 to have another fucking influencer trader come to the BDH and trade against me. Not one of them have stepped up. They can't handle it. Just remember when Big Daddy Max and Llama came to the BDH? Remember they both blew their accounts? I think I made like 6,000 that day and they both blew their accounts. Like, God. God. I just saw this on Twitter. I probably shouldn't even pull it up, but this fucking guy. Look at him. You're a real badass when you're walking around New York City fucking protesting, bro. Hey, you so badass, man. You so bad. You a badass. Yelling and screaming. Yeah. I'd love to see him come say it to my face. I bet he would it. Bet he would it. Bet he would it. Look at, I love when people go to protest or they go fucking do whatever they're doing there and they wear a mask. You know, it's just like, we get it. We get it. You're a little bitch. We get it. We know. If you're gonna go protest, don't wear a mask, bro. You know, don't wear a mask. Make sure if you're gonna protest, everybody knows who you are because, you know, speak the truth, you know. Don't wear a mask. Don't wear sunglasses. Don't wear a hat trying to hide your identity. You know, hey, if you're gonna stand up for something, fucking make sure you let everyone know who you are. What happened to freedom of speech? I mean, I'm not saying that you can't say what you want, but like I said, it's very easy to walk around New York City while the police are there and everybody's protecting you, and it's easy to talk shit and be like, blah, 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 blah. It's a totally different story when you have to actually say it to somebody who has, you know, might say something back to you. So that's all I'm saying. You know, Mr. Billy Badass over here thinks he's, I'm so badass, saying he's walking around going, piss on your ashes, spit on your grave. It's just like, you fat fuck. I would say it to his face. I'd walk right up to that guy and say, what'd you say? What'd you say? What'd you say? You said fuck Charlie Kirk? What? Piss on his ashes? It's easy to say it when you're walking around with a big crowd of people and there's no repercussions. You know? Do you reckon that Big Daddy Max can actually trade? No. He's like 300 pounds, bro. You're not gonna tell me that someone who's 350 pounds is successful at life, you know? It's just like, that right there tells me you're not as successful. Da-na-na-na-na. All right, Nasdaq just kind of sitting here. Not even 9 o'clock yet. We announced the winners live on stream. Live on stream. Live on stream. I mean, looking here at the hourly chart, kind of broke this trend line here overnight. We broke out to the upside now. Question is, do we go higher or do we chop around here today? OPEX. It's OPEX. What is the point in walking the streets saying what he's saying? I mean, their daddy didn't love them enough, so they want attention. I don't know. My daddy didn't love me, so now I'm gonna walk around and talk about a dead man and then talk about how, you know, I'm gonna piss on his ashes. Like, wow, bro, you got me. You got him good. The guy's dead. You know, he dead. What are you getting? You know? You couldn't fucking debate him when he was alive, but you're gonna sit around talking shit when he's dead. So that's interesting how that works, isn't it? Ba-da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da. Man, Twitter is wild. Like, Twitter's a wild place, man. It's just such a wild place. Like, literally, here is a I don't even know what you call it, a demonstration of people dragging the body of a fake Donald Trump through the streets. Huh. Remember, the left is the party of unity. The left is the party of equality. The left is the party of happiness and being gay and dragging bodies of the president through the streets. You know, that's normal, right? Totally normal. That's normal, right? Totally normal. That's normal. That's normal. That's in the UK, by the way. I see that now. But if that was in the USA, smack a bitch. The funny part is, like, at the end of the day, there is nothing good, right? Like, there's just nothing good about the far left. Like, their whole argument is what? That people who work hard should pay more taxes so that people who don't work get free money, you know? Like, that's the only thing that that's their whole premise. That's their whole belief system. That a man can be a woman and nobody should have to work. That is literally their basis of what they believe in. I still don't understand it. And like, how does anybody listen to this and go, yes, this is what we need. We need socialism. We need to all just, you know, not work and live off the government, and the rich people can pay taxes and we can all just like not do anything. Right? I mean, like, what is one argument on the left that like actually makes sense? I don't get it. I just don't get it. Like, where is the one argument? I don't, like Bernie Sanders. Oh, we need free college. Why? What do we need free college for? Okay, what's the next argument? We need more welfare. We need more free insurance. Someone said I can just shut up. Oh, no, you can just shut up. I don't know why people think that they're gonna come here and like tell me to shut up. Because you're watching me, numbnuts. You're watching me. And I'm not sitting here like saying that the far right, far left, or, you know, either or it's better. At the end of the day, I think right in the middle is where I always have said I end up at, so. Right in the middle, baby. Right in the middle.
You are an Islamophobe. And although you live here, I want you to know as mayor, you are not welcome here. And the day you move out of the city will be the day that I launch a parade celebrating the fact that you moved out of the city. Because you are not somebody who believes in coexistence.
I mean, Hezbollah, bombed the embassy in Beirut, and including many Americans. So I just feel it's quite inappropriate.
You are an Islamophobe. And although you live here, I want you to know as mayor, you are not welcome here. And the day you move out of the city.
People, hey, in 20 years from now, we're all gonna look back and be like, damn, nobody saw this coming. Nobody saw this coming. Nobody saw this coming. Nobody saw it coming. We brought millions of immigrants to America, and we got overwhelmed by a totally different race and religion. I wonder what happened to America. The same thing that's happening in the UK. In the UK, it'll no longer be called the UK. It'll be called the United Islamic Kingdom. And nobody understands why. Why is this going to happen? What? What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? No one's gonna know why it happened. What happened? What happened? What happened? What happened? What happened? Oh man. All right. The Nasdaq holding up there, the VWAP for now. Like I said, we kind of got this hourly trend line we broke out of here, broke out of this trend line. We're above that pivot point there on the hourly chart, and we're all just trying to figure out what to do next. Kurd Marin said, so are you okay? Your country killing children? Hey man, to be honest, I don't fucking have any clue what goes on outside of America. And I kind of like it that way, bro. You know? Because that's all. I mean, I live in America and I don't really give a fuck about what goes on in the rest of the world. That's just the truth. I really, I really don't. It's just, that's my belief, Sorry to say, but I don't think either side is winning. I think it's all just one big losing fuck fest. And that is literally the truth. The world is fucked. It's an evil, terrible place, right? It's the truth. It's just a terrible place in general. There is not one side that's better than the other. It's all just literally everybody just trying to fucking get everyone to believe what they want them to believe. And that's just it. You just talked about England. Well, I mean, I like England, okay? I got family in England, all right? Did I see the protests in UK? I did. I posted it on Instagram. The UK is waking up, but I think it might be too late for them. What are you gonna do now? They've already been overran, man. They've been overran.
Not half as many as you, sir.
Da 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 da. 24,745 area holding up here. Oh, to the upside, we got a pivot point up at the 24,850 level. So, see how she goes. The chat I can't. It's just I don't want to even. I can't get into it with y'all right now. You just do what y'all. Whatever you believe, you believe. It's all good. I don't know. I really don't know. I don't know, man. It's all there ain't, you know. Hey, at the end of the day, it's all just one big fuck fest. It's all just one big fuck fest. All right, Nasdaq, kind of a push up here, 750 area. Most popular name in the UK is Muhammad. Damn, is that true? Is that true? Most popular name in the UK? Damn. No, it is. It's pretty wild. That's pretty wild. That's pretty wild. How'd they do that? Look how, and the crazy part is like, look at how many more it is. I feel like Archie's such a British name, you know, like Archie, Theodore, Archie, George, Arthur.
CHOOMF. What's the bias pack?
You know? That's some British names right there. Bow, bow, bow. The EMAs are very fanned out here on the 15-minute chart. 1 minute chart pushing up there through the 750s now. What's the most popular USA name? Let's look. We doing okay in America still. We're doing okay in America still. We're gonna be all right, chat. Liam, Noah, that's crazy. Liam, Noah, Oliver, Theodore, James, Henry, Mateo. No Muhammad on there yet. We're doing all right. We're gonna be all right, chat. No Muhammad on top of the baby names in America, okay? We're gonna be okay for now. For now. Oh, God. I've never met a Liam either. Actually, I have met a Liam. Well, I haven't met a lot of Liams. Shall I look at Canada now? Most popular. What's the most popular name in Canada? Canada's, dude, it's literally the same. Isn't that crazy? Noah, Liam, Theodore, Leo, and William. That's crazy. It must be like a trend. That's 2023, so maybe it's changed a little bit, but who the fuck? I don't know anyone named Noah either. Someone said you're looking battered, Patrick. Rough night? No. Do I look battered? Oh, guys, I'm battered. What the? God. Hey, at least Landon's not on there, okay? At least I wasn't a fucking stereotypical fucking white person who named my kid Liam or Noah. You fucking losers. Be more creative when you name your kid. Come on. Be a little bit more creative, chat. You know? Name your kid something cool. I named my son Landon Andrew Wieland. His initials are LAW, which stands for the law. That was part of my thought process. I swear to God. I literally was like, he needs to have like cool initials, right? Like what would be a cool initials? And I was like, Landon Andrew Wieland, law, the law. So that way in the future, you know, if he wants to have like a pro model, you know, something cool, the law edition, you know, he could be the law. Get sponsored by Nike and have the brand new law shoes coming out. What time frame do you see pivot points being more respected? So basically the way the pivot points work is basically anything from 15 minutes and lower. So basically 15 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 1 minute, whatever you look at, the pivot points are the same, right? So you can see on the 1 minute chart, 849 pivot point, it's the same as the 5 minute chart, right? So 5 minute, 1 minute, 15 minute, it's all the same when it comes to pivot points. Now, once you go past 15 minutes, it starts to change. You can see there on the 30-minute chart, well, pivot points have changed. I think, yeah, pretty much the hourly chart, the 30-minute chart, those pivots are going to be the same. Right now, Nasdaq still pushing, breaking out of that bull flag right now. Oh man, oh man. I think what would be great at open, if we're going to go higher, you know, it would be great is if we pull back to the pivot point, not to the pivot, but to that close from yesterday back to this VWAP level, like ding, 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 and then we go higher. That would be great, right? So, Mr. PW, can you get $500 so I can buy an account? You just want $500? That's all? Anything else you would like? Would you like just why not 5,000? Why only 500? You know, if you would have asked for 5,000, then I would have gave you 5,000. PW, have you taken any trades this morning? No. I have not. Still waiting. Did you give away accounts yesterday? Yes. Make sure you pay attention to the box down below. There'll be names of people who win the giveaways coming across the box right down there below. So I might not like announce them, but if you pay attention, you see your name come across the bottom there. Be prepared, okay? I have a GoFundMe for 450,000. How can I donate to your GoFundMe? If everybody in the chat just donated $100, then I would have 2,800. I'd have $28,000, right? Or no? We got 2,800 people times 100. That'd be 280,000. Come on, chat. Everybody donate 100. Help me, come on. Everybody donate $100 and then I can make $280,000 today. Come on. Help me. I'm already a millionaire, but I want to be a billionaire. Think about it. I'll do it for us. I'm going to do it for us, chat. Together. Together. People on the internet say that I never post my broker statement. So I posted my broker statement yesterday. There's my broker statement. Locked in $16,000. So look, it's so my broker statement is so ghetto looking that it's like almost like it's almost like almost like unbelievable that I would even fake it, right? I use this new app, right? And it's called Make Stuff Look Old, and I just put a bunch of random numbers and then it made a spreadsheet for me. But basically, if you look here on the broker statement, it says $16,000 cash made yesterday. So I did it, chat. I did it. Nasdaq still pushing up here. Fuck, that bull flag playing out right now. Oh man, off the fucking EMAs, everything curling up there. Nice little push now from the 40s up to the 60s. Will the bulls come out to play? Today is OPEX. OPEX, OPEX, OPEX. Triple witching. Or is it quadruple witching? Wait a second. Is it quadruple witching? Quadruple, sorry. Quadruple witching today. We got some news down there as well coming across. Oh, I saw Krispy Kreme donuts had some news, right? You guys see that? I guess the what do you call it? The head of the FBI said that he liked Krispy Kreme donuts. And the stock went up 15% yesterday, or 10%. You gotta love that. You gotta love that. It's actually up right now this morning as well, isn't it? Yeah, it gapped up again. Krispy Kreme donuts, man. Making a comeback. God. Well, I guess it's got a long way to go. Krispy Kreme IPO'd back there in 2021. Are they go? Is Krispy Kreme going to zero? Is Krispy Kreme going to zero? Should I invest in Krispy Kreme donuts long term? I'm trying to figure out what the, you know, are people going to be buying donuts 10 years from now? Hey, look, if you go NQMLF, NQMILF, there's a ticker called NQMLF. You know they did that on purpose, NQMILF. NQMILF. It's the NQMILF. All right, daily chart, we can see the all-time high, obviously, yesterday. Oh, Lord. I have very, 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 very low expectations for today. It's Friday. It's OPEX. It's Friday. We're at all-time highs. If I take one trade and make a little bit of money and then walk away, I'd be totally fine with that today. So that's my game plan. Easy peasy, mac and cheesy. Patrick, have you taken any trades yet? Mohammed, I haven't. Waiting, watching, getting ready for anything here. We gonna party. We gonna party. We gonna party. It's Fresh Cash Friday. It's Fresh Cash Friday. It's Fresh Cash Friday. The Fresh Cash, the Fresh Kids, the Fresh Cash Friday. We got about 8 minutes here till market opens up right now. Nasdaq is kind of grinding higher. We're up here at the all-time fucking highs. God. What time is OPEX? I think OPEX is all day, basically. I don't think there's a exact time that OPEX happens. I think it just is like a kind of an all-day event. It's Apple launch day. Are the phones? I need a new phone actually. What's up with these Apple phones? Should I get the new Apple phone or what? My phone is like full. And no matter what I do, even if I delete stuff, it still doesn't show any more storage. I'm too broke? No way, man. I can afford a new phone. What you talking about? Get the, oh, they have an orange one? What? Did you not know that I need this? Guys. I need this. Look at this. This is literally the BDH phone. Oh my God. Are you kidding me right now? Did Apple make the BDH edition the biggest and the largest? Oh my God. I might have to buy like 5 of these. Just keep them for a while. That's the sickest color I've ever seen. It literally matches my fucking watch. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? This was a, I need this thing. I saw a video about the zoom. It's like crazy how like wild the zoom is. Look at that. That's fucking wild. That's a photo from a phone. I'm gonna be taking photos of the dude next door to my house laying out naked at night. I mean, of the boats. Dude, I'm fired up now. I gotta get me one of these orange phones, bro. Apple knew. They knew their target customer. They're like, Patrick Wieland likes orange. If we make an orange phone, we're gonna sell more orange phones. If you match things, you are fucking gay. I'm gay, everybody. I have an orange phone and an orange watch. And then I have, there's orange on the wall. And oh my God, there's an orange chair. What am I gonna do? Oh my God. I might wrap the trophy truck now. Oh my God, what the fuck? Are you kidding me right now? Nasdaq just ripped up freaking 15 points here. Why did I should have, because if I would have just gotten long at the bull flag, fucking A. I could be done right now. 30 points, walk away, been done. You know? What was the big news? PW does not know yet. He is projecting to be gay. Yes. Oh, trust me, I know that I'm not gay. Because, well, let's just say I know. Okay, I know. I know, chat, okay? I know. I said that I like the new iPhone. That's why the Nasdaq went up. That you're not wrong. Hey, everybody could have fucking got long. Everybody could have got long on the Nasdaq when I said I like the iPhone orange. True story. Nathan said, "Do you remember about a year ago I told? Oh my, you're not. You're. Hold on a second. Hold on a second, Nathan. Nathan." Is this real life right now? Did this guy literally just say, Patrick, I told you so a year ago? I'm just like, oh, this guy has been waiting for a year. He's been waiting for a year to like, oh, any moment now, Patrick Wieland's gonna buy a trophy truck and I'm gonna say, I told you to buy one. I told you, Patrick. And for 1 year, he's just been waiting in the shadows. Any moment now. Any moment now. See, I told Patrick Wieland that he should buy a trophy truck. I told him a year ago. Patrick, what are you gonna do to the Subaru? New engine, suspension, roll cage, some body stuff, some gravel tires, pretty much like just a full rallycross build on it. All the goodies. Sequential transmission. Everything, all the good stuff, man. Well, Nasdaq just pumping here. It's hard to just get long after I missed out on this bull flag earlier. So now I got to be patient and wait for the next setup. The one time that I don't take a trade pre-market is the one time the market just goes straight up. Classic. Is Mark Palmer back? Where's Mark Palmer? Where's Mark Palmer? Where'd he go? He's in the chat. Oh, God. Version 6. Version 6. He's gotten banned 5 times, but don't worry. He came back. He's back, chat. He's back. Don't worry. He'll just keep on making more. He got banned, but we are dropping to the lows in the NQ in the first hour today. Fuck yeah. That is some dedication. That is some dedication. It might be Mandy, but I think it's Mark Palmer, V6, version 6. Oh, here we go. We got about a minute till market open. Nasdaq just absolutely pumping right now. God, why me? You know, like, why? Why does it just have to pump? Why does it gotta just pump? It just has to pump. Why does it gotta pump for? I hate when it just pumps. And I'm not in it. I'm fine when it's pumping when I'm in it, but if I'm not in it, I'm not happy about it. We got 30 seconds here till market opens. Let's get ready to rumble. Let's get ready to rumble. Ooh. 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 3, 2, and 1. It's time. Fresh Cash Friday. Bouncing off those EMAs for now. If we lose that EMA support, there's not much really holding on here. Got the VWAP down there, 727, so we'll see what happens. I feel like we got to get a pullback here either way, right? In theory, pullback. Either way. Either way, chat. ES is pulling back. Nasdaq's stuck here for now. Tapping into those EMAs. We lose those EMAs right there. I think we go to the VWAP next. The chop is real today. Stuck there at the 80s for now. ES is pulling back. Nasdaq's pulling back here. Nvidia is kind of just chopping for now. I feel like maybe it's a good short here. We get down there to the VWAP quickly. Just very indecisive right now. Got to lose that 60 area there. Getting stuck. About to roll off here, I think. Oh, there she goes. Fuck. I was literally just about to short. The moment that I changed the screen, I was about to go short. What the fuck? That's fucked up. Same as yesterday. Fuck it. I don't like it. Staying out of it. Just chopping around here for now. Looking weak. ES is kind of already dipping. If we get like another push, oh fuck. Just like nothing really happening there for now. We could maybe get that VWAP bounce for a long, kind of see what happens down there. Let the 15-minute range kind of play out here now. I feel like we gotta see VWAP though. And then 705 is yesterday's close down there, so. ES is pulling back. And now the ES is kind of pulling back there. We put in a high, pulled back. Nasdaq's just kind of chopping around here. ES dipped below the VWAP already. Got the close from yesterday at the 93s. ES kind of needs a hold up here at this level, or we're going lower. I'm like flirting with the, if we had like a, maybe if we get a wick like back up 65 area and then it gets denied again, maybe I'll look for a short then. But I don't want to get short right here, because if I get short right here, it's gonna just like end up squeezing back up, taking out all these wicks and then coming back down, and I'm just gonna get stopped out. So I want to avoid that. Nvidia's pumping to the moon right now, or making new highs basically. Got to be patient right here. If we get back above 770 and all that, maybe then we go all-time highs again. There's that like 60 area. I just don't like these little candles kind of consolidating right here, because just don't want to. I don't want to jump in here short and then I get fucking just a massive squeeze back up. Although, keep getting denied there at the EMAs. I think if you're trying to get short, you got to get this to pop up into here, get denied, show weakness, and then come back down. It's just hard to get short right here. Or pulling back there into the VWAP now. VWAP's right there. This is where we broke out earlier at this 40 level. So first 15-minute candle, kind of just dipping. Nasdaq still going lower there from the 60s now. See what happens down here at the VWAP next. Go to the VWAP there next. We got something crazy. Gotta go. I don't know. Fuck it, A, man. I just want to trade. I want to get into it. I want to get into it. Nasty right now. I mean, it's just kind of grinding lower here. Grinding lower. Use the 9 EMA and the 21 EMA here. If we get back above 760, maybe that's the start to ramp back up. We're right there at the VWAP now, so. Just holding on here at the 50s again. See, this is what I was worried about right here, this squeeze back up. I'm gonna try this long here. See if we don't squeeze back up, take out that high up there. YOLO. Let's try to go for like a quick, maybe just 10 points or so, maybe more. Just depends on how much we can push here. I like it. I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it. Oh, nice little $1,000 there in the Take Profit Trader live accounts. I said today was going to be the day where I just take 1 or 2 good trades. It's Friday. It's OPEX. You know, I'm not swinging for the fences today. I'm honestly not. And you might think, Patrick, why'd you take profit right there? Well, look why. So I don't know. I think today is a very good day to be fine with taking profits. What is OPEX? If you don't know what OPEX is, I'll tell you what OPEX is. OPEX is basically if you go to Google, first off, it'll tell you exactly what it is, but I'll just tell you the simple idea of it. OPEX is basically the it's the options expiring, right? Like the bigger options, basically just saying like OPEX refers to option expiration, the date when a stock option contract ceases to be valid, and can also option expiration week. So we have quad witching, so you have 4 that happens basically right here. Quadruple witching explained, impact on stock market and key dates. And well, it happens 4 times a year, basically. Look at this. So March 1st, June 20th, and September 19th, December 19th. Well, guess what's today? What is today's date, my friends? Well, there's 4 days out of the entire year to be aware of. You think it's a good day to trade? You know, when you think about it, you're like, wait a second. Hold on, you're telling me that today is there's 4 days out of the year that I should avoid, and today is one of them, so I should avoid, you know, like. Does the market usually fall? No, I would say the market normally chops. So that's why I'm erring on the side of caution. I think if it wasn't OPEX, if it was a normal day, right? If it was a normal day here, I would have maybe held for that push to the 800s. But clearly I made the right decision by taking profit there and not being greedy. It's Friday too, man, you know? Nothing wrong with having a nice little green day. You know what I mean? Honestly, it's, you know, it is what it is kind of thing. It's like you're happy to make a little bit of money on a day like today, and then we'll be back next week. We got a lot of stuff going on next week, by the way. If you're just now tuning in, there's some big stuff going down. That's right, big stuff, the biggest and the biggest stuff there. I actually made $3,800 in my cash account, my live cash account. So that's real money. People would be like, he don't even trade real money. Yeah, well, go suck my dick. How about that? Catch me outside. Catch me outside. I do it. I do it. I do trade real money, okay? I do. I do it. I do it, okay? I do it. Nasdaq is kind of holding up here in the middle of the 15-minute range for now. Good time, just be patient, my friends. Be patient, be patient, be patient. Yesterday, everyone's like, Patrick just wants you to blow up your account so then you can use his code. I'm telling you right now, don't trade. If you don't have a good setup, don't trade. Don't blow up your account. Be smart, be patient, wait for a good setup.
I bought the course when it was $20, the best decision to spend that money. I got funded last week and got my payout yesterday. Thank you.
Marin bought the course, got a fucking payout. Let's go, boys. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. That's some BDH shit right there. That is some BDH motherfucking shit. This is a picture of me on a big wave in Hawaii. Never forget, never surrender. This is my broker statement. Look at it. It's so real. I made that on ChatGPT. But this is what I want to show you guys. The hype. We got the hype. The hype is coming. I'm gonna turn this music off really quickly, and then we're gonna go back to this so you can hear the hype on it. If you haven't seen it yet, the hype. Next week, chat. Next week, it's happening live from the BDH.
Let's get ready to rumble.
The biggest, the largest, that's right. We're having the battle of the female traders. We got 2 women coming to the BDH. This is going to be the showdown of 2025. That's right. Terry Trades by Arena, happening next week live at the BDH, 9 a.m. Eastern. The biggest battle ever. $25,000 on the line. That's right. One trader will walk away with $25,000 cash here at the BDH. Let's get ready to rumble. That's right. Next week, you are going to want to tune in because it's going to be hot. Y'all don't even understand. Shit's going to be hot up in here. We're going to have 2 women trading at the BDH. It's going to be absolutely wild. That is the most amount of women that we've ever had at the BDH before. 2 women at the same time. $25,000 on the line. It's gonna be big. Let's see who you guys got. Who you guys going for? Who's gonna win it next week? Terry Trades or Trades by Rena? Who wins? Nasdaq just absolutely chopping around right now. All right, the poll. Let's see. The hype is real. Don't forget about the giveaway, chat. We got the giveaway going on. Get the giveaway going on. Don't miss out on it. Nasdaq just kind of holding there in the middle of the 15-minute range, pushing back up right now. Ooh, look at the chat right now is a little indecisive on who's going to win next week. All right, Nasdaq, chopping here for now. Pushed up to the top of the range, got stuck, pulled back again. Nasdaq's taking its time to go nowhere right now. So if you're being patient, it's a good time to be patient. Nothing wrong with just sitting here. Hey, sometimes the best trades are not trading at all, honestly. Like, I've been doing this long enough to know that there ain't nothing wrong with not trading. It's the truth. Don't believe me? You'll find out in enough time. If you trade long enough, you're gonna, oh my God, look at that. And that's why you can't just get short there. Fucking A. Hopefully you guys were not shorting. Who was shorting? Who was shorting there? I know somebody was. Who was it? Where's Mark Palmer at? Mark Palmer said we're going back to the fucking low 1 hour after market open. We still got a little bit of time, I guess. Anybody short? Anybody short there? Did you guys get short and just get absolutely fucking raped? Who got short? Who got short? Oh my God, look at it. It's ripping right now. I don't want to say ripping, but it's going up. Up there to the 800s now. Now they're gonna just crash it right back down again. Don't worry. Make sure they just, everybody gets absolutely fucking chopped up here. The bulls that chase this pump, the bears that are trying to get short there. Everybody's gonna get fucked. Fucking A, man. Ugh. The FOMO is so real right now, chat. Like, I'm really trying to be a good mentor. I'm trying to be a good person, a good person right now. I just, like, it is so hard. I want to trade so badly. I already locked in $300 there on those Apex accounts. Ugh. What do I do? What do I do? I don't know. We're up 1,000 in the take profit trader accounts. We're up 5,000 in the personal account. It's Friday. Showed you guys this trade right here live earlier. Still going higher now. Ugh. Look at the bigger time frame. Yes. All-time high. Coming up there. An hourly candle just fucking boner. Jay said he came out. Bro, we don't need to hear about that, okay? Keep that to yourself. You just came out of the closet. I get it, bro. It's all good. What happened? Where did Mark Palmer go? Why did Mark Palmer disappear? Why did Mark Palmer disappear? Anybody know? Again, guys, it all goes back to a very simple idea, right? The people in the chat that are yelling and screaming about how the market's gonna crash or it's gonna go up or whatever it is, like, those are the people that you want to avoid, because good traders are not going to make 6 different YouTube accounts so they can come spam the chat and tell everybody it's a short. You know, think about that. Like, just honestly, guys, like, you know what I mean? Like, think about that. If you were a successful day trader, would you go on YouTube and make 6 accounts to spam a live stream? Or would you just make money and shut the fuck up? You know? There you go. Good traders also have no fucking idea where the market is going. That is the truth as well. It is really, that is the truth. All right, Nasdaq, pull it back there again. PW, can you make your course $20 again so those who missed it can buy your course? Okay, deal. Little Filipino man, make the course $20 for 2 hours. Oh, he's back. Number 7, baby. He's back, baby. This guy, hey, don't ban Mark Palmer number 7 now. Number 7 is fucking impressive. That is impressive. That's gotta be an all-time record. Mark Palmer, I want to send you a gift. Mark, I want to send you a gift, a BDH. I'm gonna send you a signed autograph. I'm gonna take a fucking shit in a box and I'm gonna sign it and I'm gonna send it to you. What's your address? No, Ginger's gonna mail it. Don't worry. Where are you at, Mark? Dude, why is this guy asking what ICT is? Shut up. Nobody cares. Nobody cares what some psychopath on the internet says, okay? We're here making money. Not talking about fucking market makers raping us in the butthole. Microsoft is mooning right now. Fuck. What's Apple doing? Apple's going up too. Man, I'm killing it. You know what's so funny is I got long in one of my retirement accounts. I started this new retirement account this year. Nothing too crazy. I just put as much money as I could based on my taxes into the account, and I put it all into Apple. And I think, I'm not sure, fucking A. Oof. We're up 15% right now. It's not bad. 15% on Apple in my retirement account. I bought that. I don't even know. When did I buy that? My average on Apple is 209. Got 450 shares of Apple. Thanos said, well, the market did what you said, pulled back, chopped, and then moved up. I mean, if you look at it, you're kind of wondering, why did I feel that way? Well, this right here is very telling, right? Very, like, look at this. This is like very, how do you say it? Like a very orderly, it's a very orderly pullback, if that makes sense. I don't know if that's the right word, but it's orderly in the sense that, like, you know, we really, like, we were not selling. You know, this is like just a kind of like a bullish pullback when you think about it. Right? You got controlled selling. That might be a good way to look at it. Right? There was not really anything like, you know, like it was not like, oh my God, we're dumping. We basically just pulled back into this level, VWAP there, and like, look at these candles. When you're getting this type of action, like these little 10-point candle, 10-point candle, 10-point candles, that's when you have to be worried about the squeeze happening. This candle right here, this is literally just a breakout squeeze. right? You had shorts who were shorting. You had longs buying this breakout. Now you get more shorts coming in here trying to short the high there. We get stuck, ding, ding, ding. It's a battle. The bulls win the battle. We break out, and the shorts have to cover, right? That's literally what it is. PW sounds like IT now. I mean, it's the truth. Remember, what does a bull flag look like? Anybody know what a bull flag looks like? Bull flag does this. This is a bull flag. A bear flag does this. So, if you look at the chart at open, was this a bear flag or was this a bull flag? Better prepare for a short and stop talking. Okay. I like when people tell me what to do, because then I like to do this. I like to do this. How about you suck it? Hey Patrick, why don't you? Yep, you're getting banned too. Who else wants it? Who else wants some? Who else wants some? Mark Palmer said he lives in Thailand, and I love your YouTube. You are the best. Can you send me merch? Sure, Mark. Hey, Mark, if the Nasdaq goes down to this 24,700 in the next 30 minutes, I will send you something, a surprise. But if it doesn't, then you're banned forever. What is the process to coming to the BDH? You gotta be hot. If you ain't hot, you can't come. I don't make the rules, Ginger makes the rules. She said no ugly people are allowed to come. She's very materialistic and what do you call it? Were you serious about the $20 course? I told the little Filipino man to change the code on it. God damn, breaking shit in there? Don't worry, it was cheap. The editor's breaking my camera gear. God damn it. All right, I got a question for the chat while we wait for this chop to do something here. For the chat, what do y'all think? I'm going to, so basically October, I'm going to rally school. I'm gonna go learn how to drive a rally car. And then after that, I'm going to trophy truck school to go learn how to drive a trophy truck. And then after that, I'm going to Mexico for 8 days to go drive around in Mexico and race around and all that. So should I bring the editor with me? Do people want to watch this? Or should I leave him at home? You know? I mean, because he would definitely film it a lot better, but you know, I'm pretty good with the GoPro. But I'm just not sure if he's ready for that life. So you guys tell me. $85% said go with you. 15% stay home. Damn it. Don't look at the chat, editor. He's in there looking at it right now. It's not real. Somebody botted this. The editor's in there botting the chat. He's botting the poll right now. He's buying likes and bots to vote for him to win. Damn it. I guess I gotta take the editor with me. Fuck. Well, he's definitely not flying first class. Good thing he's small. He's not a big guy, so that way he can, I put him in economy comfort. It's only fair. You gotta work it, you gotta work your way up to the first class seat. Does the editor want to go? I think he wants to go. He has a new girlfriend though, so maybe he wants to stay and play with her some more. We'll see. I'll talk to him later about it. We'll figure it out. All right, the OPEX chop continues here. I am sitting here green on the day and I'm happy. I told y'all earlier, I was like, man, if I can walk away up a couple $1,000s a day, I'm happy, I'm good, I'm not gonna complain. And that's exactly what we're doing right now. We are sitting here We're up $1,000 in our Take Profit Trader live accounts. We got 5 of those, by the way, which are really cool. The Pro Plus account, there's no trailing drawdown. There is no, there's basically no rules other than a max loss. It's pretty epic. They have end of day loss on the Pro Plus account. So basically with Take Profit Trader, you trade the eval, you then go into a pro account. Then if you trade well, they put you into a live funded account. You can have up to 5 accounts. So I have 5 live funded accounts, which is pretty crazy. A lot of prop firms don't do that. They don't offer that. Where Take Profit Trader goes, hey, we'll give you 5 live accounts that you can copy trade. So I continue to just trade 5 contracts, 1 contract per account. And well, you can see my trade earlier. We got long there at 64. We took profit at 78. And that's all we needed to make $1,000. Someone said, should I get short at the 800s? I mean, do you like to get fucked in the butt? That's really comes down to your personal preference, my friend. Me personally, I'm not into it. You know, I'm not into it. I like to, you know, a little bit of foreplay. I want a little bit of foreplay. I want a little bit of, you know, I want to get loosened up before I get fucked. And right now, this market is not, it's not going to be nice. It is not going to just kiss you on the lips and go, okay, baby, I'm going to take your hand here. You know, it might be a short. Anything's possible. But I just personally just not in the mood right now for that today, to be honest. Just not in the mood for it, man. I am not in the mood. Got the course, people. I need you, before you ask questions, I need you to look at the screen, right? I really need people to look at the screen before typing in the chat, what is the code for 90% off the course, right? Like I'm trying to help you guys, right? I'm trying to help people. Look at the bottom of the screen here, right? It says use code BDH. This is only for the course. If you're buying Take Profit Trader accounts, if you're buying Apex accounts, use the code PW. Oh, Lord. Nvidia is making new highs right now. I don't like the fact that Nvidia is making new highs and everybody's talking about getting short on the Nasdaq. I'd be very careful here. Is it setting up to be a short? Possibly, but I would just be fucking careful going and shorting while Nvidia is making new highs. All right, that's just my personal belief. If Nvidia gets stuck here and starts pulling back, then the shorts might be okay on the Nasdaq. But until that happens, I'm afraid of chop, right? I just think if Nvidia is leading, if Nvidia is trying to push, the ES is kind of holding here as well. I'm not shorting here. I'm not fucking shorting. I don't care what anybody says. Don't do it. Don't be fucking dumb. All right, look, it's popping up there again. Just be patient. Everybody's so fucking like just dying to put on a trade. But also think about this feeling, right? I want y'all to think about this feeling. How are you gonna feel after you take a trade and you lose, right? Right now you have this FOMO, right? You're dying to take a trade. You're just fucking, it is hurting yourself. Your fingers, your body, everything is just, you want to trade so bad. But then I want you to think about this. If you have a losing trade, how are you going to feel? Is that feeling going to be worse than the feeling that you have not taking a trade? You know what I mean? Like, I would rather sit there and have FOMO and be like, fuck, I'm missing out, you know, and like have that feeling than I would in terms of having like a red day feeling, right? Like that's what I want to avoid. You know, like that's how I look at it. So it's not a good feeling. So you got the FOMO right now. Put on small size, maybe. Relax. Don't do anything. Wait for next week. We got a big week coming up next week. We got 2 traders coming into the BDH. We got trades by Rena. We got Terry trades. It's going to be fun, man. We're going to have 2 female traders who trade totally different than I trade. The 3 of us will be trading live on YouTube. We'll be breaking down our setups, looking at what's going on, be talking about the market. This is going to be a once... no one's really ever done this before, right? To have everybody in one place. And it's one thing to like... kind of... if everybody's just like, you know... remotely zooming into the live stream, that's different, right? But to have everybody at one desk trading and talking and going through the ideas, it's a totally different experience. Right now, if you see here, Nvidia still making new highs, but a pullback here. Nasdaq pulling back here. Again, like it all goes back to, like I said earlier, is it a good short? Maybe, maybe not. We're above the opening range high. It is pulling back. So, Mark Palmer said 21 minutes, the Nasdaq's gonna go to the 700s. Sounds good, Mark Palmer. Right, put that on the chart, everybody. Make sure to remember that, 21 minutes. By 10:30, the Nasdaq has to hit 700. And I'll send you merch, don't worry. See, the problem, like you think about it like this too. A lot of days when we're trading, what are we looking at, right? If we're looking for like the push higher, we're looking for a pullback like into that opening range high. So the idea of like getting short, you know, like right here, it ain't for me, right? It ain't for me. Can it go lower here? Sure. But at the same time, it's just, it's not the setup that I want to take.
You're listening to the Essential Mix on Radio 1 from a mighty fine DJ and producer coming out of Melbourne, Australia. It's Dom Dollar.
Let's go. People buying the course right now. It's 90% off. Use the code BDH. It's basically 20 bucks. Like these candles are just, they're not it, man. They are not it. This 5-minute chart is nasty. There she goes again, squeezing back up. Fuck. I want to trade. I want to trade so badly. I really do. I want to put on 100 contracts right here and let it ride. But I also know that if I do that and I lose, I'm going to go on tilt and I'll probably just blow up the accounts. So someone said trade an eval. I can maybe do that. Maybe. Try an eval trade here. Try an eval trade here. 20 contracts long at 800. All right, let's see if basically we'll trade this eval here. What is the code for the course? Don't look at the screen, whatever you do. Don't look at the screen. If you're asking what the code is, whatever you do, do not look at the screen because you're gonna be very, very surprised. It's getting real tight here. We got real tight. Mark Palmer said the market's gonna drop to the 700s in the next 15 minutes. Should I fade him? I don't know. I don't know. I mean, I would rather be long here than short. We're above the opening range high. Nvidia is just going to the moon right now. Nvidia 177 again. Apple's pushing. The ES is holding up. You got kind of a flag there on the ES 5-minute chart. Oh, she's going nowhere quickly. This is why I'm not trading my real accounts. Nvidia just keeps going higher. So, I don't know. Everybody's talking about bias to the downside, but I mean, this is the 5-minute chart. I don't know about you, but it's not screaming short to me. Nvidia finally pulling back here now. We'll see what happens to the Nasdaq. Gets back down into the 15-minute range, maybe. The hourly chart, I mean, just kind of double top for now. ES is still holding up. I mean, it's just like, we're just in a very choppy zone. Like I said earlier, it's OPEX. You know, I mean, I'm not dying to do anything, to be honest. I am not dying to trade right here. Patience. Something's gonna happen, just gotta be patient. That's the biggest problem for most traders, is that they don't just let the market do what it's gonna do. They try to get in on every little move. They try to, you know, they're constantly trying to make something happen. You know, it's like, you gotta be patient sometimes. You gotta, I think the best secret to being a good trader is knowing when to trade and when not to trade. It's that simple, right? Like, your setup is not always gonna work. Your bull flag, your bear flag, whatever it is, it's not always going to work. So what we're looking for is we're looking for a probability, a higher probability setup, right? We're looking for like a setup where I'm like, hey, I like this, right? Now we're pulling back here. You got 13 minutes for brain fart. I mean, for Mark Palmer to get 700 level. And I know now, looking in hindsight, everyone's going to be like, Patrick, I told you to short at 800. Why did you not short it at 800, Patrick? But why? Why did you not short, Patrick? Why did you not short at the 800? I told you. I told you to short, Patrick. Why did you not short? Someone said easy fucking short. Okay, bro. You know what was easy too? This was an easy short earlier too, wasn't it? Everybody said, oh, this is an easy short, didn't they? Everybody said easy short. And then what happened? It ripped up fucking 50 points. So yeah, it's always easy in hindsight. Should have got short at 8.715. 8.1750. That would have been the spot to get short at. Why did I not get short at 8.1750? Starting to move a little faster here. Uh-oh. We're getting worried. I think, this is what I think might happen. We pull back, we tap VWAP, we chop around inside there for a while, and then maybe we push back up. I think either way, we're going nowhere quickly. I love how people in the chat were like, yeah, so-and-so was right. I'm like, guys, every single day, there is somebody in the chat going, go long. And there's another person going, go short. Like, there is literally the same amount of people yelling and screaming, go long. Yelling and screaming, go short. So no shit. If the market goes down, somebody's gonna be right. If the market goes up, somebody's gonna be right in the chat. So like, trying to give credit to people in the chat is a joke. Oh, so-and-so said it was gonna go up. So-and-so said it's gonna go down. And then when it does, it's like everyone celebrates. Oh my God, so-and-so. Pulling back there to the VWAP now. Bang, bang. We'll push back up there right off the VWAP now. I'll try a quick long right here. See if it's gonna work. This is an eval, by the way. Like, just like back up into these EMAs. Get that reaction off the middle of the 15-minute range. Come on, Nasdaq, hit it. Oh, damn it. Damn it. Damn it. What a terrible trade. What a terrible trade that was. I hate when that happens. That was a quick $3,000 there. I like that. I like that. Quick little 3,000 there in 27 seconds. Making the money! Fresh Cash Friday. Down there to the VWAP now. Chop around here some more. Hey, I told y'all this morning, don't get greedy today. Look for your quick profits. Don't try to go for the fucking moon. Nothing wrong with just locking in some quick profits today. It's Friday. It's OPEX. Like I said earlier, there are only 4 OPEXs a year, right? You have 4 that happen in a year. And today is one of those fucking days. You know, today is one of those days. Who cut your hair? Your mom did. After I put in her butthole, she said, Patrick, you want me to cut your hair? I said, fine. Deal. She trimmed my pubes real good too. Look like a fucking I don't know what to say down there. If you don't know what OPEX is, guys, there's this website. I'm gonna tell you all a little secret. There's this website. It's called ChatGPT. You can ask it anything you want. Right? You can ask it anything. Any question that ever enters your mind, you can ask it. And it will tell you exactly what something is. So, just so you know, if you're ever wondering, if you're ever like, man, I really wonder what this is, just go ask ChatGPT. Did I just buy the bottom? Did I just buy the bottom, boys? Did I just buy the fucking bottom? ChatGPT said that you let Tori peg you. Yeah, well, that's definitely a lie. This is my song. You ain't got no life. Mohammed asked me, am I still in the long? Mohammed, the most popular name in the UK, just asked me if I'm still long. I don't know, Mohammed. Use your fucking eyeballs, you psychopath. Tori should come to the BDH. She could not handle the BDH. She would cry before she couldn't handle it. The chat would destroy her. I feel sorry for the girls next week, or the women. Do we call them women? Like, at what point is it a woman and a girl? You know, like what? You know what I mean? Like, where's the line at? Is it like, at what age do you no longer get called a girl? Am I a boy? Am I a man? Like, what? You know, like, what is it? Not as do it right. Bro, check this out. Hey, everybody loves a good Waffle House fight. Check this guy out. Waffle House fight. Dude, my dad used to take me to Waffle House when I was a kid, and people used to get in fights in Waffle House. I swear to God. Fucking rednecks and crazy people. Especially at like 4 in the morning, a bunch of drunk people. My dad threw a guy through a window one time. It was wild. Oh! Waffle House, man. Oh, shit. Hey. Fuck around, find out, boys. Oh. Hey. Look at that. That's a Waffle House boy. That guy, you can just tell he from the country. He got a big old beard. He thick. That's a thick Waffle House boy right there. You don't want to, hey, don't go square up with the big, thick Waffle House boy. Don't do it. Life lessons. You know, don't underestimate the big old country boy. Because they big boys for a reason. That's one thing I learned in life. Not that I ever underestimated a country boy, but I'd be like, hey, you got to look at someone and be like, yeah, no, I'm not going to fight that person. You were not like this. You were just a humble trader, but now I'm the biggest dick on the internet, trader. This is what happens when you make millions of dollars. Your dick grows, your brain grows, everything grows. Your YouTube channel grows, everything grows. Patrick, help me reset my TPT Pro account. See, the problem is, if I helped you, you would just blow it up anyway. So what's the point in helping you?
Listening to my Essential Mix on Radio 1 Dance.
You know? You're huge, Pat. How tall are you? 6'1", baby. 6'1". Fine fucking machine! How many times can I spin? 1, 2, 3. Editor, spin me. Spin me. Spin me. Spin no more. More. Faster. Oh, fuck. Fucking weirdo, get out of here. This guy tried to spin me around. What kind of gay shit is that? All right, Nasdaq, look at that, back above. Again, guys, can we talk about something? What happened? What happened to all the people in the chat talking about the short? What did we just do? We pulled back into the middle of the 15-minute range. Middle of the 15-minute range turns into support. We got the VWAP there. We pop back up there. So stop bullying your editor. I will bully him all I want. I'd say it right. See, there's a big difference between bullying and whatever I'm doing. I call him a retard straight to his face, okay? It's not bullying when you just say it to their face. I don't talk behind his back. I say, Jason, you're fucking retarded. He goes, and he kind of laughs about it. I don't know if he's happy or if he's sad or what, but if he ever brings a gun to work and kills me, you know why. Because I bullied him, okay? We need bullying. Make bullying great again. You know, make bullying great again. I make fun of Ginger's car. You know, I'm like your little orange car. I'm like, yeah, I got get Ginger a new car. Hey, we got some winners down below there. We got some winners down below. But see, the nice thing is at a certain point, I'm going to make fun of Ginger's car for so long that I'm just going to end up buying her a new car. Just kind of like, Ginger, I can't keep looking at your little orange car. You know, I got to get her a BDH car. See? People don't even know. Y'all don't even know. People be all trying to like, oh, man, I bet working for Patrick Wieland is the worst. He's such a fucking asshole. Big difference between assholes. You know, I'm not an asshole, chat. I'm not an asshole. I'm a dick. Big difference, all right? There's 3 kinds of people in this world. 3 kinds. Well, 3 kinds of guys, at least. You got assholes. Nobody likes assholes. Assholes smell. They're stinky. They're, ew, you're an asshole. Ugh. Then you have pussies, right? Pussies are, you know, whatever. They're just pussies. They're not like, not really anything to look at, you know? It's just kind of like, yeah, that's a pussy. You know, no one's ever, people aren't talking about pussies, right? They're just like, that guy's a pussy, you know? You don't really talk, he's like fugazi. And then you have the dicks of the world, right? And at the end of the day, what really is a dick, right? A dick is just something that's hard. And it's just like, it's there, it exists. And it just lives in its own little world, right? There's nothing holding it back. There's nothing stopping it from growing and becoming bigger, right? It's there, it's alive. And that's what I am. I'm just one big dick, just living the dream. What does the BDH mean? It means big dick house.
We bring the vibe in check. Yo, my DJ live on deck. We bring the vibe in check. UKG live and direct. We bring the vibe in check.
Invite Humble Trader to the BDH. Humble Trader, you're invited to the BDH. Relay the message.
Yo, my DJ live on deck. We bring the vibe in check. UKG live and direct. We bring the vibe in check. Yo, my DJ live on deck.
I just posted on Twitter on Riz's podcast. I just said shut the fuck up. People think I actually write stuff on Twitter and actually mean it. I'll just be like, I'm gonna write it so that way people can post about it and talk about it. You know, look at me on a big wave. That's life right here. People be like, Patrick, what's life all about? And I'm like, this right here. Think about it. You're riding this wave, man. That's as big as a fucking house. And you're looking at it and you're like, oh my God, I might die right now. I could literally die. Think about that. How many people live their lives and actually look into the abyss and be like, wow, that is my death. If I don't survive this, I'm gonna die. That's living, my friends. My girlfriend's parents asked me, or her mom asked me, aren't you afraid to get hurt? You know what I'm afraid of? I'm afraid of not living, right? I can't even imagine being 80 years old and looking back and going, fuck. I wish I would have done more stuff. Wish I would have traveled more. I wish I would have lived more. I wish I would have done things on my terms, right? Because at the end of the day, when you die, when it's all over, when it's all said and done, who the fuck cares what anybody had to say? You know, like, who cares? At the end of the day, when you're fucking laying on your deathbed, you think you're gonna be giving 2 fucks about your ex-girlfriend or some fuckhead who told you that you couldn't do something? You know, no. You're gonna be sitting there and go, damn, I did it. You know, like, I did everything that I wanted to do. I lived. I went out and I did it. When everybody told me I couldn't do it, I did it. And that's all. That's it right there. Like I said earlier on Instagram, I posted up on Instagram. You don't follow Instagram, but I posted on Instagram. I said, guys, I would rather fail a million times on my own terms than ever be successful on someone else's terms. Right? Like that right there. My dad told me from a young age. He said, Patrick, if you want to be happy, if you want to fucking live like a man, you got to get out there and you got to build something. You got to do something. Right? Because life is about fucking making shit happen. People look at me, they look at what I have, and they're like, this fucking guy, he's just fucking, you know, he's just a scammer. I'm like, what's the scam? I made a YouTube channel, and I go live on YouTube every day, and people watch it? Like, who's getting scammed? I am literally the living proof that at the end of the day, if you fucking work hard enough, if you put in the time, if you put in the effort, you can do anything you fucking want to do. I mean, in reason. You know, I probably couldn't be very good at basketball because I can't jump or shit. But, you know, so, like, there are things that you're limited. Let's be honest, you know. Like, I mean, I probably won't ever be able to play in the NBA. But, like, you know, if I was, like, truly, like, hey, I really want to do something, like, I could find a way to do it, you know. But, I don't know. The money, the fame, all that, it ain't going to mean shit one day. When I'm dead, who the fuck's going to care about how many YouTube subscribers I had? Nobody. Who's gonna care about how many fucking retards on the internet said I was a scam? Nobody. Because I'm gonna be dead. It ain't gonna matter. None of it. None of it's gonna fucking matter. It'll all just be gone. It'd be fugazi. All right, the ES is just holding up there at the VWAP, going nowhere. God. I like going on little rants, and then I like looking at the chat, and then I like seeing who says something stupid. Somebody, who else was up there? Who else was up there? Someone said my son. Yeah, well, again, when I'm dead, my son's gonna be like, fuck, my dad did it. My dad lived on his own terms. My dad fucking, he made his dreams come true, right? Like, I set an example for my son. He always asks, he's like, Dad, why is it that other people have to go to work every day and hate their jobs and like they hate what they do? I'm like, because they're fucking retarded. Right? People accept mediocrity. People are fine with just doing the bare minimum in life. I wake up at 6 o'clock, I woke up at 5 o'clock this morning. I wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning, and the first thing I think about is like, I'm like, all right, today it's Fresh Catch Friday. I start priming myself up. I start thinking about what I'm gonna do, what I need to do to accomplish my fucking goals. What is on the top of the fucking list right now? What do I wanna do? What do I wanna do? I wanna make money. I wanna do the live stream. I wanna go fucking race in Baja. Right? Those are all the things that I'm focused on right now. How to grow my brand, how to make more money, how to get richer. Rich. I want to be so fucking rich that I can do whatever I want to do. Someone said it's nice to have a hobby that pays. At the end of the day, make your hobby your job, right? That's the thing. Find out what you love. You can be good at woodworking. You can be good at welding. You can be good at like, there are so many ways to make money. And it's not just you have to be a fucking YouTuber. If you like building stuff, if you like getting fucking dirty and just like getting out there and fixing shit, you can do it. There are ways you can become a millionaire a million different ways. The problem is so many people sit around and like, man, I'll never be able to be successful. I'm like, why? Like, who told you that? That's just you. That's you believing that. Every idea that I've had, I received zero support. Zero, right? When I started filming, my dad told me, he said, you're never gonna make money filming. You can't, how are you gonna make money filming? You can't make money filming. And I said, I don't know, I'm gonna figure it out, man. And then I started making money filming and everybody was like, wait, how did you do that? And I'm like, I don't know, I did it. And then I started fucking doing the YouTube. My girlfriend at the time, she told me, Patrick, you're never gonna make money on YouTube. Patrick, you're never gonna make money. No one's gonna watch. You don't even know how to day trade. Who's gonna watch you on YouTube? Nobody. No one's gonna watch you. And I'm like, what? And look where I'm at now. Everybody watches me. No, I got the biggest YouTube day trading futures channel in the world. Everybody's watching. All right, the chop continues. The chop continues. I'll tell you one thing I know. Play around in the chop, you gonna get chopped. So.
And that is about it. Time for
that's about it.
2 hours,
that's all I got. That's the secret to life.
Many thanks to Dom Dollar for that.
That is the secret. That is the fucking secret, boys. Mark said, that was so boring to listen to your accomplishments. Well done, bro. Very humble. Mark, do you want to get banned? Because guess what, motherfucker? Guess what time it is, Mark? Guess what time it is? What time is it, Mark? What time is it? Guess what? What's the price, Mark? What's the price, you dumb motherfucker? Go make another account. Because you got banned. Idiot. The market's gonna drop 100 puts. Oh, Lord. What do you guys got going on this weekend? Who's doing something fun this weekend? Anybody do anything fun this weekend? You know what I'm gonna be doing. Y'all know what I'm gonna be doing? Driving fast, taking chances, and fucking. Sometimes at the same time. All right, this is getting a little interesting now because the ES is losing the VWAP, pulling back down there. Do we get short? I don't know. We got winners coming across the bottom, by the way. Look for your name if you're a winner down below. Maybe things start moving after 11 o'clock. Maybe. Maybe. We're right there at the VWAP now. Got stuck at 800, pulled back to the VWAP again. It's just chop city. My song right here. I like this song. Y'all like this song? I like it. I've got 19 Apex accounts right now. We're up $300 times 19 in those accounts. I don't know how I somehow don't have 20. I guess I didn't do it right. I don't know. We're up $1,000 in these Take Profit Trader live accounts. And then we're up $5,000 in my cash account. So we're green on the day. I'm like, you know, obviously I want to make more money, but it's Friday, it's OPEX. I'd rather just walk away green than walk away blowing up. Because I know what's going to happen, right? If I go and I trade more, right, we're up $5,000 here. in my cash account. So 5,000 there, 1,000 take profit. We'll say 3,000, like a 10,000, like maybe like a $10,000 a day. I don't know, like around there somewhere. Patrick, could you show your VWAP settings, please? Yeah, man, I got you, no problem. You asked please, so I'll show you. There's my VWAP settings. I don't really change anything, to be honest. John Pym, how much do I have in the live account? Right now, I have a total balance of $54,000. I put $50,000 into it in August, and I've just been stuck here. I've been up and down constantly, to be honest. I have a max loss of $10,000 per day. So, like, yesterday I made 16. The day before I had a red day. So, like, it's just been a battle. To be honest, I've just been stuck, man. I think I got it up to like 75, 80 grand, and then gave a bunch back again, and then just nonstop, man. When's the R34 coming back? Hopefully whenever it's done. That's a nasty 5-minute candle right there. With no overlap yet. I feel like they're gonna try to chop it back up now to like 760s or something. They just swipe that low of that candle. It would be perfect to like trap and then push back up here now. There you go. Just to have some kind of overlap. We had no overlap, and now we have that little bit of overlap on that candle. The moving averages that I use, 9 EMA, 21 EMA. As someone who's traded for 2 years, what else can I expect to learn in your course? Nothing. Don't buy it. If you need me to sell you on it, totally fine. It's 20 bucks. Don't worry about it. Keep your money. I'm sure you've been trading for 2 years and making millions of dollars. You definitely don't want to learn anything else. I might. This could be that bounce here. The ES just broke the opening range low. Have you ever taken a break from trading? Yeah, I have. Not for a long time, but I have for a little time, like a month or two. Nasdaq dumping here. This. Can you work it like this? This. Just pull it back there. Right there at the low now. We'll try a little dip. Try a little pop back up here quick.
So for right now,
off that bottom of the opening range low.
let this one ride. It's like I go back.
I'll take that. The 37's back up there.
So for right now,
there's 10 points off the low now.
I'm just gonna let this one ride.
10 points off the low right there. Someone said, just check, the course is $200. No, it's, use the code PW, it's 90% off. I'm confused. Does everybody in the chat, do you guys see the bottom of the screen? Does anybody, is it just me?
I don't really even know where to begin or even really what to do, because no matter what I do, every time I get ahead, it's like
man, I bought the dip here on these dips twice now. Both times got out too early, but right back up there to the VWAP now. This should be like where we chop back up now.
I'm just gonna let this one ride.
Oh, Mark Palmer's back, baby. Version 9. Mark, dude, you gotta quit, bro. You gotta quit, man. You gotta get a life, man. You gotta get a life, bro. You gotta get out. You gotta get a life, man. Someone says, do you ever use the EMA cross as the indicator to get in? I do sometimes. To be honest, sometimes. It depends on the price action. Sometimes, like, let's say I'm long and I'm just like holding a runner and we get the EMA cross, then I might take profit. But I don't normally, like, it's hard to use it as just like, oh, get short if the EMA's cross. Wait, how many subscribers we got? 420,000? Shit. We're getting high today, boys. Everybody's getting high. What time frame do I use and how? The fuck kind of question is that? Patrick, what time frame do you use and how? I mean, I'm looking for entries on the 1 minute chart, but I'm also focused on the higher time frames to kind of see where we are. Like, we got a big wick on the bottom of that 5 minute candle. So personally, I don't like shorting into a big wick like that. That's just how that's my belief. I try to buy like into those wicks versus trying to short into them. Yeah, so 5 minute chart, 15 minute chart, those are all like my go-to levels. And there you go. And that's why we did not get short at the fucking bottom. What happened to Mark Palmer? I told you fucking guys earlier, no one listens to me. I'm like, today is not the day to be fucking greedy, chat. Today is not the day to be greedy. Like I said, that 5 minute big wick on the bottom of that 5 minute candle. You do not want to be shorting into a big wick on the 5 minute candle. It's that simple. It's a fucking simple ideology. Look at the higher time frames. Where are the wicks at? Look at the 15 minute chart. Big wick on the bottom. Wicks, wicks, wicks. This whole candle here did give it up. I think it's OPEX day, so it happens. But again, it's just like, I want to be aware of that. I want to be looking at the higher time frames and being like, hey, do I really want to short? You know, do I want to get short down here at the bottom of the fucking opening range? No, I don't. Why? You know, I don't want to do that. That would be a very bad idea. Avoid big wicks and big dicks. I mean, that could be a bumper sticker. Who wants, I make that a bumper sticker. Let's go. Sample stuff. He got long on the ES at the 94s and got out at 702. Let's go.
Appreciate you, brother.
You got long at the bottom and closed too early. Hey, trust me, my friends. I never met nobody who fucking took profit that went broke. I might have taken profit early, but it is what it is. Look at that. I got long at 37. Corbin said, what's good here is that he learns patience. Well, I think it's not even about learning patience. It's about understanding that at the end of the day, not every single move in the market is a spot to trade, right? Not every little candle is a spot to get long. You know, not every little move do you need to trade, right? Like, I will tell you right now, with zero doubt, 100% truth, that the days that I try to trade every little move are the days that I have a red day. The days where I just sit back and I relax, I'm patient, those are normally green days. Like, you gotta go into trading with a very simple idea of like, hey, I am not going to just take a trade because the market is moving. I am taking a trade when I see something that fits my overall setup. I want to see something that is good. That is like, I'm like, wow, look at this fucking setup. Like, I gotta take this trade, right? Like, this trade is looking so good. That's how you make trading. You don't make money trading every little fucking move. And look at that. This is the best, right? The shorts down here, they got fucking squeezed. People who try to buy here just got dumped on. It's OPEX day, boys. Don't fight it. Don't fight it. Medallion Trader says, Patrick, we need to work together. I live in a different country and it's helping so much. My charts are a few seconds ahead of yours. Wait, where's the market gonna be in the next 2 seconds, Medallion Trader? Tell me now, quick, hurry. Go, 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 hurry. Tell me where. What's the price of the Nasdaq in the next 2 seconds? I need to know. Tell me now. I need to know the future. Patrick, I can tell you exactly where the market's gonna be in the next 2 seconds. Apple's making new highs. I'm not mad about that. I'm not mad about that, chat. I remember when everyone told me that I was buying the top on Apple. We're up 16% on Apple right now. Like, make this kitty go purr. Make this kitty go purr. What's she talking about? What's this song about? What is this song? What are they talking about? Next week. By the way, chat, next week, The biggest event at the BDH ever. We got $25,000 on the line. Cash. Trades by arena. Terry trades. The battle that nobody saw coming. Because, well, no one's ever done it like this before. 5 days. That's right, 5 days. 5 days of trading. Right over there. It's happening. Live. It's gonna get wild. It's gonna be raw. It's gonna be epic. And we're gonna get into it, boys. I'm still flipping out about this fucking iPhone. Can I buy this thing right now? Can I buy it? I'm gonna get me one of these phones. Is it ready to go? It says free shipping. Are they ready to start? I want, holy shit, 2 terabytes? Bro, that is some next level shit. I can't believe Apple made an orange phone. That is so sick. It's gonna match the BDH perfectly. The biggest and the largest, plus it's orange. It's on pre-order? Fuck. When does it actually start shipping? If you want to buy a BDH shirt, don't you worry. We got them for sale. We got a new store coming, actually, at bigdickhouse.com. But for now, we got the old store. We got some new shirts, actually. Check these bad boys out. I like this hat. Make trading great again. Don't forget about the ICT sketch. My Filipino guy did some terrible clipping there. Oh my God. Filipino guy about to lose his job. I haven't even worn this shirt yet. Got the little rooster on the front there, discipline on the back. Filipino man, I don't know what you're doing with this clipping here, sir, but you about to get a new job. Look how shitty that clipping is. What the fuck did you do? Oh man. Mr. Filipino man. And it's off-centered. The link there in the chat. We got more shirt. We got a whole new thing coming at the bigdickhouse.com. I'm excited for that. I don't think it's up yet. Need to tell my Filipino man to get the bigdickhouse.com shirts up there ASAP, mister. Someone said, is this gonna be a big bear flag? I mean, look at the 5-minute chart and tell me that you want to trade this. Like, get rid of everything, right? Just get rid of all the stuff on the chart here. And now I'll be like, okay, yeah, no, I want to trade that. Yeah, I'm gonna pass. Maybe it goes down, maybe it goes up, I don't know. Nvidia's pulling back here. Just shit. It's just shit right now. Again, it's like you're just pulling back into this big wick on the hourly candle. 15-minute chart, big wick on the bottom there. Look at that. The high of that candle was 63.50.64. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think it's worth it. When do I think things will stop being so slow? Not till Monday. Today's OPEX. Like I said earlier, if you don't know what OPEX is, the third Friday of September, September 19th. On these days, stock index futures, stock index options, stock options, and single stock futures all expire. So you get a lot of just like shitty price action. So says it basically involves simultaneous expiration of blah 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 blah. High trading volumes characterize quadruple witching days as traders adjust portfolios and roll over expiring contracts. Despite increased activity, quadruple witching does not typically result in a higher market volatility. So, Nasdaq going for that low again. Link in the chat for the store. Oh, no, 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 no. Baby. Oh, no, 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 no. Stay with me, baby. We got the close from yesterday down there at the 24,705s. We're below this VWAP here now. Nvidia pulling back from the 178 area now. I mean, when you think about it, the market really has not moved, right? Like at the end of the day, we're pretty much right where we opened up at. So, just not ideal price action to trade. Eric said, Patrick, can I have a job washing your cars and keeping the BTH clean? I got a guy for that, and I got a woman for the cleaning part, bro. You gotta do better than that. You got to do better than that, bro. Mark Palmer, PW doesn't know how to trade. Okay, bro. Watch this. For the 9th time now, this psychopath. What a fucking crazy person. The guy has made 9 accounts. Long or short right now? Right now, long or short? I don't know, bro. No trade right now. Zero trade. Nothing to do. Relax. That's the best thing to do. Someone said, Patrick, help me pass my account. I'll help you pass your account. Wait till Monday. That'd be your best bet. If you want to make money, don't trade this shit. I would say if it was any other day other than OPEX, go short here, 100%. But the probability, it's not there. It's not good. It's just not worth it. If you're green on the day right now, just walk away, people. And like, I don't even care if you stop watching the stream, but just walk away. Take your profits and just walk away. Go enjoy the weekend. You know? Go enjoy the weekend, man. We're green on the day. We did our job. We showed up. We made money. You know? Here, let's do this. Let's put on a trade in the eval and see if we would be right or wrong by getting short here. Want to try it? Should we try it? Oh no, now I don't want to get short anymore. All right, we're trying it.
Does my hair look beautiful? Do my titties look
This is an eval, by the way, just for entertainment purposes. Let's see if we can't get down there into the 20s. Did the market just stop right at 30? Is Tradebait the market is not moving, or is Tradebait broken? Did my computer just freeze?
God forbid a girl's trying to have fun. I got X if you wanna take drugs. Do you wanna have sex or do you wanna make love? Which one? Which one? Which one? Which one? Got a fairy ting and I got a which one? A G'd up ting that I bring sticks round and I got a good girl, snitch one. Too many gal now I got a switch one. Turn the hotel to a 20v1. 360 my head got spun. Junk in the trunk can see it from front. Girl your body is tea, it's pain, I'm sprung. Your backside weighing you down 1 ton. I got a chopstick for your 1 ton. Tell me what you want, what you really, really want. Put coin in a slot, you just hit jackpot.
He's gonna get out of this. Just stuck here now. Take my little profits.
Anyone that's bringing you down, sweetheart, you're doing your thing right now.
If we get back up above 750, I'll look for maybe a long back up. The playlist. This one. It's Fisher on YouTube. Look up Fisher, F-I-S-H-E-R. He's got some pretty good playlists, or just like sets, I guess. Anybody in London go to this show? Old Royal Navy College in London. Nasdaq holding that low down there. I think it might be a long back up here just to fucking do something stupid again. Let's try it. See if we get chopped up here or it pops up. A little bit early on that entry, but YOLO. This is an eval, by the way. I'm not trading a real account because I don't like these conditions. Just seeing if we can't scalp a little bit here in this chop. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, try 5 more down there. Oh my God. The chop is real. La 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 la. No bueno, no bueno. Oh my God. Dude, the blue line resistance. How do you get the blue line resistance, Patrick? How do you get that on the chart? It works every time, boys. Oh. Oh, she's dipping. She's dipping. Oh God, no, she's back up. Oh, she's dipping. No, she's back up. Stopped out. Motherfuckers. Still green. That was just the E, like I said, the E bound, yeah. Just stuck. Going nowhere quickly. Nasdaq trying to move back down here now. We got the 705 level being yesterday's close, but you know how that goes. Make it look easy. And the Nasdaq going nowhere like predicted. Someone said, do I drink alcohol? No, I just snort it. I mean, no. Yes, maybe. But only when I'm on YouTube live at 8 a.m. Imagine how many people that have blown their accounts today, PW. Trust me, sir. I don't need to imagine it. I know how many. Dude, Mark Palmer, you're back again, dude. Nice. Fucking psychopath. He can't stop. Doesn't it take... Yeah, I mean, this is like empty now. There's nothing even in it. And I just like try to drain. It's like my habit. When I'm trading, I'll like... Just like... But it's actually... It's empty. Trade like Mastro. Can I come visit the BDH? No. This is not fucking Disney World, bro. You don't just get to show up and go have fucking get a tour of the BDH. Am I done trading? Probably. I can be a freak. Cash Money said, why does this thing moderate me for everything? Stop posting whatever you're posting. I don't know what to tell you. People be like, I love the funniest is people on Twitter would be like, you blocked me. Why did you block me? I'm like, I blocked you.
People would pay.
I blocked you because you said some stupid shit. They're like, why would you block me? I'm like, cause I can? I don't know. Like, Decinio Garcia, Patrick, let me pick your next 5 winning trades from Monday to Friday next week. No, I'm gonna pass on that. Thank you, though. I appreciate the offer. I'm good. I'm good on that. Thank you very much. There you go. Nasdaq pumping back up here once again. I think we had the right idea for a long down there. It needed to swipe these lows one more time. Wanda said, Patrick, I love how informative you are. You know, I'm just here to help. I'm just here to help people. My goal in life, just to help. Oh, man. Just chop city here, boys. Don't go chasing waterfalls. I just want to be right. I mean, clearly, the trend has been lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. We're just drifting lower, but just don't trust it. I don't trust it. I don't trust it. Patrick, are you attending the car event this Saturday? Which one is that? I'm doing a poker run tomorrow. Ferrari of Fort Lauderdale doing a poker run. Dude, your cars are insane. These aren't even all of them. I got this. I got these 3 Porsches. I got another Porsche. I got the Lamborghini Aventador. I got the McLaren 765. I got the R33 wide body from Japan. I got the R34 from Japan. I got the Ferrari wide body. I got the Raptor R. I got the trophy truck. I got the Bronco 69. I got the Super Duty. I don't even know what else I got. Got a couple of them. The DJ is Fisher. Fisher is the DJ. Yeah, definitely no Corvette. Definitely no Corvette. The chat said we're gonna go to the London Asian Lowe's now. I don't know, man. I just don't know. Maybe we do. I don't know. I don't like it though. Oh, well, never mind. And that's exactly why I told you all, don't fuck around with this shit. Why does nobody ever listen to me? Some of the chat said we broke the opening range low. It's time to get short. Well, look what just happened. 30-point rip back up. Welcome to OPEX, baby. Oh yeah, I got the GT500 as well. Corbin78 passed a funded account, and it is in part because you said taking small profits, 600 here, 1200 there, and finally passed a 50K. That's the way to do it right there, my friends. If you want to pass an eval, the best thing to do is just try to basically figure out the boner. Oh man. All right. I'm gonna give y'all some secrets. People don't want to hear it, but I'll give y'all a secret. Y'all ready for a secret? Very simple secret. All right, ready? Listen up. I turn the music off. If you want to pass an eval, I will tell you exactly how to do it. Right? You figure out. I want you to figure out. All right. I want you to think about it. Okay, if you got to make $2,000 to pass a 50K account, 3,000, whatever it is. Think about it like this. Okay, if I have $3,000 to make, is it easier to make $3,000? 5 times, or is it easier to have 6? Is it easier to have 6 $500 winners, or is it easier to have one $3,000 winner? It's not easy to have the one $3,000 winner. So the best thing to do for you is to just focus on just one $250 winner, another $250 winner, another $250 winner, another $250 winner. If you get stopped out, what are you trying to risk? If you're trying to make, let's say you're trying to make $250. If you're trying to make $250 on a trade, what is your risk? Well, your risk should be about $100. You should be risking 100 to make 250. And you do that over and over, you will get to a point where if you consistently do it, you're going to pass that eval. The biggest problem for people is they love to try to pass the eval in one trade. I do it. I know it's like everybody wants to do it. It's hard. It's very difficult, especially with the trailing loss. If you're trading Apex evals and you're trying to pass the account in one trade, it is going to be the most difficult thing you've ever done before. It's not easy. Oh my God, look at this. Back down there, 720s again. I'm staying out of it. But yes, you need to think about it. If your goal is to make $3,000, how many trades can I win? How many trades can I lose and still hit that target? If I'm like, okay, I'll make $250 on Monday, I'll make $250 on Tuesday, I'll make $250 on Wednesday, I'll make $250 on Thursday, I'll make $250 on Friday. There you know, that's the thing. Focus on trying to just make $250. Forget about the fucking profit target. Forget about making $3,000 as this big number. Focus on how can I just basically take small trades and get to that point where I pass the eval. Once I pass the eval doing that, what am I going to do once I'm funded? When I'm funded, what do? I then trade exactly the same. If I was able to make $3,000 to pass an eval, right? If I did it over a 5-day period, a 6-day period, whatever it is, if I did it in an eval, I do exactly the same thing once I'm funded. I see so many traders who go from they pass evals, they make money in the eval, and then as soon as they get funded, what do? They just forget about everything. They go, oh man, now I'm funded. I got to make money. I got to make as much money as possible. Remember, guys, the prop firms create rules. They create rules not to make you fail, but they create rules to stop people from just gambling and trying to just make a bunch of money, right? It's the truth. It's you versus the prop firm. The prop firm says, hey, you can't make more. You have to have a consistency. You got to do a certain target. You got to blah, 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 blah. You have these requirements. If all you're trying to do is just YOLO and get rich off of one trade every day, you're not going to do it. You're going to blow up. It's not going to work. It's the truth, right? You're never going to meet someone who's a millionaire who got rich off of just one little trade, right? They're just not. They're not going to happen. If you want to make money as a trader, you got to make 1,000 trades. You got to make 1,000 good trades. And when I say good, you can have a losing trade, right? You can lose money on a trade and it can still be a good trade. Why? Because you followed your plan. If you get in on a trade and you put your stop loss, you have your setup, whatever it is. If you have your plan, you have everything lined up. If you get stopped out, you manage your risk, you get out of the trade for a smaller loss than holding for the bottom, right? That is a good trade. When I say good trades, I'm not saying, oh, I make money on every good trade. I am looking for opportunities to make a little bit of money consistently while keeping my losses small. And that's all it is. You guys have seen me plenty of times where the first trade of the day is a red trade, right? There's plenty of days where I have a trade and the first trade of the day, I lose money. It happens. But what do? I don't just go and fucking start YOLOing. Or maybe I do, I don't know. But in general, majority of the time, I'm like, okay, that's fine. I took one bad trade. Let's move on to the next. You know, I had one losing trade. What's my next setup? What's my next plan? I lost $100 on that first trade. Okay, let me try to make 200. I'm going to make 200 back on my next trade. That's the big thing too. Like, you can't be making $50 on a profitable trade and then lose 500. That don't work. It's the math ain't mathin'. So it needs to, oh my God, Nasdaq going. It needs to be a very simple process of being like, okay, how much money am I willing and able to lose on a trade to get to my goal of getting the payout? God. Mark Palmer, you're back. You fucking weirdo. Dude is insane. Dude is literally insane. Insane person. It didn't even hit 7. The funniest thing about Mark Palmer, all morning long, he's talking about how the market was going to hit 700. He said, watch, at open, market's going to hit 700. It didn't hit. It goes up here. It's going to hit 700. It didn't hit. It's going to hit 700. It didn't hit. And now it's down here. Oh my God, he was right. He was finally right. Hey, everybody, guess what? Next week, guys, I think that 24,680 might get hit next week. All right, I'm telling you now. Everybody, I'm telling you right now. At some point, 24,680 is going to get hit. All right, and then maybe in the future, 24,920 is going to get hit. I'm just telling you now. Crazy. Absolutely crazy. Oh, God. Well, I mean, I got more. Oh, God. All right. Well, I mean, that's all I got. I got nothing else. If the market goes lower here, I don't really give a fuck. Did I make money today? Yes. That's all. That's the only thing that matters. The only fucking thing that matters right now is, did I make money today? Yes, I did. I'm up. I'm green on the day. It's Friday. I'm walking away. I don't really care. If the market drops another 500 points, who cares? I don't give a fuck. It ain't going to change my life either way. Right? It ain't. It's just the truth. I mean, why do I care? I don't. There's no reason to care. People get so caught up in this desire to be right that they want to Patrick, I told you it was going to go. I told you. It's okay, well then fucking trade it and make money and shut the fuck up. You know, make money and then shut the fuck up. We don't care. It's just, every day it's somebody who wants to be fucking talked about, who has no fucking life. And it's you're not going to make money being right. You don't make money being right. You do not make money being right. You make money by getting in, executing, taking the trade, and then getting out. That's how you make money. At the end of the day, that is the only thing that matters. Did you make money or did you not make money? Nobody gives a fuck if you predicted that the market was going to go to 817? Nobody. No one gives a fuck. Your bank don't give a fuck. Your mom don't give a fuck. Nobody cares. At the end of the day, did you make money or did you not make money? That's all it is. That is all it is, people.
You love Mark Palmer.
God, someone just paid. Oh, God. That's it. That's all it is. I mean, if I sat around and talked about every fucking prediction that I've ever had in my life, yeah, a lot of them came true. Oh my God, I told everybody, 6 months ago the market was going to go higher, and it did. Oh my God. Like, yeah, if you make enough predictions enough times, you're going to be right. If you say, oh, guys, I think Bitcoin's going to go higher. Well, I don't know exactly when, but it's going to go higher. And then 5 years later, oh, see, I told you. I told you it was going to go higher. Like, wow. Wow. We all are graced by the God of the internet who just told us it was going to go higher. But it's like, what does it matter? Did you make money on it or did you not? Did you predict that Bitcoin was going to go higher or did you not? That's it. Did you make money on it or did you not? That's it. That is it. That is it. That's all you got. I got no other answers. Fugazi. Owazi, awoozy. Awizi, awoozy, wababoo. So, 4 years ago, I made a video on YouTube, right? Look at this fucking video. I made a video 4 years ago saying 5 reasons that Bitcoin will hit $100,000. Did I predict the future? Am I the fucking future maker? They were talking about the 5 reasons that Bitcoin will go to the moon, and cryptocurrency is the future of everything. Talking about it right here in this video, so make sure you guys stay tuned. Ooh, that intro went hard back in the day. Look at that. What's going on, guys? Patrick here, live from the Bitcoin headquarters of the universe on the beautiful island of Oahu in Hawaii. I want to talk about Bitcoin today and talk about the 5 reasons that I believe that Bitcoin will reach astronomical prices in the future. Now, I know you can laugh all you want, and you can comment below how I'm so full of it, and I'm just trying to promote my bags. But if you actually watch the video, you might come to the same conclusion that I have. So that simple idea here is inflation. I think this could be really one reason alone that people should believe that Bitcoin will reach astronomical prices in the future, because inflation alone. Now, people might say, well, if you look, it seemed like it was the price of Bitcoin when I made this video. Massive move, and then it pulls back. People start to think, okay, was 33,000. Bitcoin's done. It's going back to zero. The world, everyone's over Bitcoin. The party has ended. Well, same thing with 2017. You had that massive move. We had the consolidation, and then we had the massive move higher after that. So I would say that if Bitcoin, pulls back down here, $20,000, $15,000 area, we get that consolidation. The next move over $68,000 in general would put us above $100,000 easily. So Bitcoin breaking over $20,000, which was the previous high in 2017, it then made a 200% move higher, which some people believe that we are still in a bull market and this has not been the end just yet of this cycle. But, for realism here, for just, focusing on facts, or at least focusing on percentages here, when Bitcoin pushes above 20,000, it rises 200%. If this cycle would continue, we break above $65,000. Well, where do we go from there? 100% move over 65 would obviously put us above 100,000. A 200% move would put us up near 200,000. Where are we at now? Where are we at now? Where are we at now on Bitcoin? 120,000. 120,000. Who would have predicted that? Who would have predicted that? Who would have known? How would I ever have known? How would I have known? The funny part is this is when I made the video. Would have been like here, pretty much. So, YOLO. Big old cup and handle there on the Bitcoin. I mean, I had videos from long before, back when Bitcoin was 3,000. I think I made a video, where's that? I made a video literally celebrating Bitcoin hitting 7,000. Nah, I mean, there's a bunch of them there, but what a wild time to be live. Where's that video at? 821 is starting off with a bang. A bang. Bang, 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 bang. I don't even know. It's crazy. I got it. I'm trying to find that video where I was literally celebrating Bitcoin going to 7,000. That was 7 years ago, trading Litecoin. 6 years ago. 7 years ago, look at me. Bitcoin breaking all new record highs, whatever you want to call it. It's up there to 9,600. Bitcoin going crazy, Litecoin going crazy. Gonna break it down in this video, talking about some of the moves that's going on right now in cryptocurrency. So stay tuned. My background's changed a little bit, huh? What's going on, guys? Look at my background. I know this is insane. I know it's insane. People are gonna be like, this is nothing but a bubble. Patrick, you gotta get out. You gotta get out right now. This thing is gonna explode. But honestly, I don't know. I honestly don't know what's going to happen from here on out. And I feel pretty good because I have such a good entry point. So we're up there to 9,600. Bitcoin is literally there at 9,600. You can see here. Right now, we got a little bit of pullback. We got it there to 9,600. What was I doing with the white chart, too? What was I doing? 4 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. There are no breaks. There are no pauses. It's always going on. So there's always opportunity. Bitcoin. Crazy. What was I doing? It's always so funny to like watch old videos. Old videos of Patrick Wieland trading. People don't even know. They don't even know, man. I've been around forever. God, look at this. 4 months into my trading experience, my trading career experience, whatever this thing is that I'm doing right now, my trading, I definitely had more hair kind of 8 years experiment, maybe I'll say like that. By the 4th month of my trading, YouTube, I found this stock called Sun Edison. There was a lot of hype around this stock beginning of last year. You know, they had problems. They didn't release their ER. Everybody said they were going bankrupt. People were kind of just doing speculation plays. Oh man, good old days. Just the good old days. Just the number one advice for a day trader to follow. Let's see this video. Oh, this one idea. So stay tuned for the video. So the idea that you need to follow, the idea that you should be brainwashing yourself with, this one idea is the idea of aiming small. Why would I want to aim small? What's the point of aiming small? Well, the idea is to aim small, take profit, be consistent, cut your losses to the point that you're trading a small account. I have my daily goal at $100. And you might think, well, that's nothing. I don't want to make $100. I want to make $1,000. Well, the idea is that if I can make $100 every single day for a month, for 2 months, there's no reason that I can't increase my share size to 2,000, 3,000 shares the next couple of months and make $300, $400 compared to making $100 with only increasing my share size. So all I need to do is aim small, become consistent, follow the rules, and learn how to be a consistently profitable day trader, making only $100 a day. And then from that point, I'm going to double my share size. Once I double my share size, I'll make $200, $300 a day. And you see the idea here. If I can make $100 every single day, there's no reason that I can't make $1,000 a day if I increase my share size. Obviously, the emotion will also increase as I increase my share size, but I will be able to execute. I will follow the rules better. I will understand day trading better. If I'm able to be consistently profitable every single day for a month, only making $100 a day, that's still an amazing month. I'm going to beat 90% of day traders who are going to lose more than $100 a day every single day for a month.
I made that video 8 years ago talking about my goal of making $100 a day, right? Same exact thing I tell you guys today. I talked about it earlier. Make small profits. Focus on being consistent more than anything, right? That is literally what I still preach today. 8 years ago, I made a video giving the same advice that I give today. And it is funny because people don't want to listen. Everybody just wants to get rich quick. Nobody wants to be like, oh, fuck, man. Wait, you mean you traded for 8 years? Like 8 years?
Per month. And I'm going to be able to progress. I'm going to be able to be positive about my day trading experience. I'm going to learn, and I'm going to be able to become a profitable day trader after aiming small. Aim small. That's all you need to do. Number one rule, aiming small. Trade with a smaller size. Take profit fast. Don't be scared to take profit before the profit target. If I get into a trade at $2 and my goal is to hit 210, 220, the stock doesn't look safe. It looks like it wants to drop. Take profit. Take profit at 205. Make $50 and then move on. Look for the next trade. Look for the next opportunity. Don't marry a trade. Just aim small. If you're just starting out, you're just learning to day trade. Just try to break even. Try to break even for 1 month.
I can't believe I literally saying the same shit today.
Month, all you need to do is increase your share size again, and now you're making $100 a day. And you'll become a profitable day trader much faster than the guy who's buying every share that he can get, who's making 100 trades a day and going crazy. He might have one crazy day where he's gonna make a ton of money, and the next day he's gonna lose a bunch of money. And it's gonna be a very, very rough ride. There's a good possibility that he's gonna lose in the long run, and he's going to get burnt out in time. He will not be able to keep it up. He will lose. He'll start losing bigger and bigger. The emotions will start to rise. He'll start losing and losing and losing.
By the way, the reason that my voice sounds different is because I had a lot cheaper. I had a really shitty microphone back in the day. So I was poor, to be honest. I mean, I wasn't poor, but like I didn't have a good microphone. Now I have like an actual like good microphone. This is like the best microphone you can get for podcast stuff. Maybe my voice got a little deeper too to some time, but I think I'm just learning how to talk better.
$100 a day for a month straight. If you can make,
I think just like now that I've made 1,000 videos, really,
make $100 every single day for a month straight, you're beating probably 90% of the day traders who are losing $100 or more a day. So really, it's amazing that you can do that.
You get surgery to change. Yes, I got surgery to change. I can't even. I don't know. I guess I just been. I got older.
I've been trading small.
The problem is most people don't have videos of them from like 8 years to show the difference. Like, you know, at the end of the day, like most people don't have. Can't go back in time and like look at all that stuff. What are they doing here? Trading from the Bahamas.
Keep an eye on the market. My office view looks.
My voice isn't bad there.
Little vacation. Always fun to just get away from the everyday hustle and bustle back in Florida. Although I still keep an eye on the market. My office view looks a little bit different than normal though. The Bahamas is just a 30-minute flight from Florida, so it's quick and easy to get away. The Wi-Fi is decent and you can usually find some time to trade in the morning, you know, at breakfast, stuff like that. Keep an eye on the market overall. I have cell phone service. Made a few trades by the pool and booked some decent profit. I always feel a little timid when trading away from home. I like to have my dual screens and my internet and everything, you know, set up exactly how I like, comfortable trading wise. This trip makes me think about the option of just breaking away from the norm, you know, finding an amazing house somewhere on an island with decent Wi-Fi and trading whenever I feel like it and just doing whatever the hell I want the rest of the time. And, you know, the simpler life.
Fuck,
maybe
man.
It's
8 years
future,
ago.
maybe something I can think about in the future, but overall, you know, as good as it.
Like, and what's crazy is I don't think even 8 years ago, like I don't think I would have like really thought that I would be where I'm at. You know, like here's a video. I made a video talking about how I made $100,000 a year. Right? And like that was like
Is this whole thing a scam? Do I even trade? Is this even real? Is this money? Am I using a simulator? What is the real deal? Who in the world is Patrick Wieland? Where do I even begin? Well, I guess I should start from the beginning to paint the whole picture to really explain where I came from and
how this worked. I promise it won't be too long, but I gotta kind of start at the beginning. So starting back 2006, I graduated high school. So, I was working construction with my dad. I really had no idea. And, I was like, what am I going to do the rest of my life? I went to a little bit of community college. I had no idea. Community college sucks, so I dropped out of community college. I went for like 1 semester, and that was a total waste of time and money, and I had better things to do. Construction was terrible. I could not work construction the rest of my life. It's an honest job. I'm not going to hate anyone who works construction. If you work construction, congrats to you, but you know that it's a tough job, and it's not the best job in the world. So I was like, well, I want to make some money. I'm living in Orlando. I live on the outskirts of Orlando. I grew up in the country. I have no idea.
Wow,
this is literally this little tiny town in the middle of nowhere. Like, literally, there's no cell phone service in the middle of nowhere. But overall, I grew up in the country. I was sheltered to the idea that I live in the country, and the country life is the life that I lived. But luckily, Orlando had one good thing going for it, and that's that every single pro wakeboarder in the world lived in Orlando. And why does that matter? Well, I started to wakeboard. I started to wake skate. And I started to film, and in high school and stuff, I filmed my friends. Then I started filming pro wake skaters and how.
This is what people don't know about me is I used to be a professional filmer, like full time. This is what I did. Worked for Red Bull, Nike, all over the world filming.
Does that even work? Well, I started making videos for this website.
Like I filmed all this stuff from a helicopter.
I made $50 per video. I might be able to make a living if I work hard enough. If I make enough of these videos, even at $50, if I make 100 videos, I'm gonna make $5,000. So I would just start pumping out videos every day. I would try to make a video. I'd send it to the magazine, to the website, and I was like, come on, post this, pay me, and I would make money that way. So after a time, I was like, okay, I got on retainer for $400 a month. They gave me $400 a month to make videos, and I was like, okay, it's going. I'm making some money now. So I quit the job working construction, and I started working as a valet. As a valet, I was working at the country club of Orlando, and there's a lot of really rich people, a lot of nice cars. A lot of people that go in there are lawyers, doctors, people with a lot of money. So I was kind of exposed to the idea of people with a lot of money, nice cars, people that worked in finance and different stuff. And I would hear stories. I'd listen to people talking about finance and the stock market and stuff. And I was like, okay, that's how you get rich. So the rich get rich making money with their money. They're not out working hard. They're just using their money to make money. So that didn't really make sense to me, but I was like, okay, I'll figure that out at some point. But right now I'm just going to focus on my filming and editing and all that. So I started filming, editing, and I worked for the website. And the best part is some of the comments on the videos, because obviously you can comment on all the videos, just like on YouTube. We had our own website where you could comment on the actual videos, and some of the comments were amazing. Most of the comments started out with, this video is terrible, Patrick Wieland sucks. Some of the comments would say, Patrick Wieland should kill himself, these videos are the worst. And that's just part.
I used to get so much hate, even back in the day, like literally, like even 8 years ago, people would get so mad. They'd be like, oh, you just like, anything they could just
hated on it. They hated the videos, and for a long time it was just nothing but hate. It got gnarly at some point. They hated me for actually making videos and getting paid for the videos, and they hated the idea. They were jealous or whatever it is they just hated the idea that I was getting paid. Kind of fueled the motivation to make money for me, to make the videos better. I was like, I'm gonna make the next video so good that there's no way they can hate on it. And it took time, and I'm making more videos, and over time people were like, they just stopped hating, because they were like, okay, well, there's no point in us hating because he's not gonna quit making the videos. So that was a good thing. Luckily, people, they didn't want me to die anymore, so I was happy about that. So fast forward from there, I started to make $800. Before I was making $400, now I make $800 from making videos, and I was like, okay, now this is kind of a full-time deal, right? I can live off $800 a month, no problem. Just learning more about filming. So I started filming more, and started doing more and more filming, and I started working for this website called Grind TV, which is owned by Yahoo at the time. And we started making videos on Grind TV. I actually started running their website stuff every day on there and getting paid. I was getting paid $1,700 a month. I was like, this is amazing. Now I'm making, almost $2,500 a month just from filming from website. And this is amazing. I can actually do this. Everybody told me at the beginning, there's no way you can make money doing this. You're not good, or you can't do this, or there's just no way. There's no way to do it. And I kind of proved them wrong to the point that I've been doing it. I've not had a real job, not worked 9 to 5, anything like that. I kind of pride myself on the idea that I don't have a boss. More of like a client kind of relationship where they're not exactly my boss, but they pay me. Yeah, you get the idea. Freedom to do what I want, and I kind of like that. I want to work with companies who want me to be creatively free with them and to do stuff where I'm not tied down and I can just do what I want, and that's kind of the best place for me to work. And I started doing more and more stuff. Over the years, I traveled around the entire world. I got to the point where I had to get a new passport because I had so many passport stamps. I literally went everywhere to film wakeboarding, surfing, all these different sports, action sports stuff, working for companies like Red Bull, Nike, doing, pretty much all the wakeboarding companies, Billabong, all these different companies, working for them, doing videos, making videos for their websites, internet, YouTube, all that kind of fun stuff. I actually made a full-length movie at one point called Lip Smack. It was my first DVD movie thing. It's on iTunes. It's not bad, but it's not amazing. It's pretty cool. Just kind of action sports wakeboarding movie thing that we made. And, you know, over time, this kind of got better and better, making more money.
That was it. That was what I used to do. Nasdaq back up here now, off the lows. We went to a low of 708 and now chopped right back up there into the middle of the range. So there you go. I mean, so not really much else. I don't know. Do you go long here and try to get a push higher? Does it just get stuck in the middle of this 15-minute range? I wouldn't be surprised if we basically just ping pong between 780 and fucking 740 for the next couple hours. So that's it, man. That's all I got. We're green on the day. Nicely green on the day. My goal this morning, knowing that it was OPEX, was like, hey, I'm going to be patient. I'm going to wait for the right setup. I'm going to lock in a little bit of profit. We locked in $5,000 in my cash account. And just kind of going back to what we talked about earlier, right? Look at this 5-minute candle. Big wick on the bottom of that 5-minute candle. So for me, again, it goes back to the idea of like, do I want to get short into this candle? Like, think about it, right? Like, do I want, if the market's putting in this big candle right
can you
there.
honor my son by saying Keaton legend Scholes year ago today he passed away from heart defect HLHS.
Fuck, man. Sorry about that, Todd. Big shout out to Keaton legend Scholes, man. Only the good die young. That's a saying or something they say. I can't imagine what it's like to be a father and to lose a son. So my condolences, my man. That's fucked. Life is hard. Like I said earlier, it's a battle from every direction. So there it is. Just kind of going back into that big wick idea, right? We had a big wick on the bottom of that 5-minute candle. It's hard to get short in this area, right? So you look at the 5-minute chart there, and then you pull up. Let's pull up the 1-minute chart. And it's just like, are you going to get short down here? You know, not about it, man. Not about it. But yeah, big shout out to Keaton. Legend Scholes, man. Legends live on. There it is, VWAP. Back up there, so. Big thank you, guys. I feel like we had a pretty good day. Chat was not insane, right? Wasn't like chat wasn't insane today. At least I wasn't going on tilt and arguing with the chat all day. So other than the crazy person Mark making 11 accounts, overall pretty good day. So wild. All right, I think I'm gonna walk away. I'm gonna go enjoy the weekend. I made money. I'm green. No point in really doing much else than that, right? Lock in the profits, be happy with it. We did our job today. We followed the plan. We took a couple good trades, and then we kind of just sat back and waited for something really good looking, but nothing really stood out. So happy to walk away green here on the Friday. We're up 5,000 in my cash account, and then we're also up 674 there in my Apex account. So just gonna grind this. All I'm gonna do with those Apex accounts is just fucking aim for like 500,000 bucks a day, lock it in, and dude, Jonathan Stong, you just gonna get fucking banned now too, idiot. Imagine paying $2 to get banned. Good job. Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light, my mark, you COVID up. Like, now I got FOMO again. Now I'm getting that FOMO again, man. If you guys haven't bought the course, it's on sale right now on onlyprofirms.com. Use the code PW if you want to buy it. Don't buy it. I don't really give a fuck. It's literally $20. So normally it's $200, but you know, just try to help the homies. Just try to help the homies, man.
Yes, buy Tori's course for $9.99. Much better value. Much better value there. So there it is. I think we gotta walk away here with one song and one song only. If you guys haven't hit that like button yet, we got 984 likes. Come on now. Get a couple more likes. Get that 1,000 likes on the day. I know y'all can do it. I know y'all can do it.
Hey, safe to say I'm the biggest, the largest. Been stepping up shit since my mama stayed in them apartments. Regardless, my daddy told me keep the heat even when I'm in foreigns. I'm heartless, cause these niggas is hating on me just because I'm the biggest, the largest, the biggest, the largest. 30K on my riches for hard times. These niggas just mad cause they bitching my archives. Jordan came back, so the 4-5. If you play, then you lay right there by your own kind. Pull up a 4 in a loco, tell him run this bitch back like so-so. Got this rap shit here in the chokehold. Did a show out in Austin, shout out to Bobo. Moved out the trenches, now look how we live. Tell my BM to furnish the crib. Walk out the mall with some shoes for the kids. Deposit the checks from my bank full of M's. Paid up my rent, now I'm up for the year. The view look crazy from here. What I paid for some dogs could've bought me veneers. Texas piece on my neck could've bought your career. Safe to say I'm the biggest, the largest. Been stepping up shit since my mama stayed in them apartments. Regardless, my daddy told me keep the heat even when I'm in foreigns. I'm heartless, cause these niggas is hating on me just because I'm the biggest, the largest, the biggest, the largest. Stuffing Cali, put weed in the blunt. Let my little brother roll him a Dutch. My little boy get whatever he want. Madam T don't be asking for much. Pour and lean on the nuggets and runch. Spill the rest of that drink in a punch. Left wrist on some I had to stunt. Right wrist, I just did it because 600 the labor, you know how we coming. Tell them niggas they ain't taking nothing. Standing on business, we shooting the punching. Hating ass nigga, go get you some money. I just got off a tour, finna go on another one. Album done, finna drop me another one. Couple M's, finna run up another one. Super Bowl ring, shit, I had to go done. Safe to say I'm the biggest, the largest. Been stepping up shit since my mama stayed in them apartments. Regardless, my daddy told me keep the heat even when I'm in foreigns. I'm heartless, cause these niggas is hating on me just because I'm the biggest, the largest, the biggest, the largest. Hey.
Oh, sorry. Pumping alert. Nasdaq back up there. 780s again. There it is. So much for the idiots in the chat saying we're going to go to the overnight low. Didn't get anywhere close to it. Good job. Fucking A. Look at that thing. Ripping back up now. Ugh. It's hard. But look at it. Just this is the best price action we've had all day. Fuck me. Got back above the VWAP there and then just ripped it. Gotta love that. You gotta love that, don't you? Just love it. I gotta walk away before I do something stupid because I'm definitely not gonna fucking go long right here and then get chopped up. So I'll see you guys next week. We got the biggest stuff happening next week. It's gonna be big.
Cause we don't play.
Who turn out the lights is what niggas be saying. Now you don't wanna fight, but y'all niggas be playing. Thinking it's alright, keep playing with that bro. And you gon' know tonight when you land in that hole. Dirt getting tossed in your grave. Now it's all over. Preacher said you was brave, but now it's all over. You just one of the many, plenty I done gave it to. Ain't no saving you. No matter how many tears your moms cry, ain't gon' bring your ass back. Plus in hell you gon' cry. Why? But now the only two relative questions is if we bury him or burn. Any suggestions? Either way, you up out of here for good. Now when niggas mention your name, they knocking on wood. Did I get my point across? Another body on the shotty, another joint I toss.
Ain't no sunshine in this song. Only darkness every day.
Who's this? Who is it? Dark man of the unknown. Earth, one dog, one bone. Now who ain't going home? Looks like you. You hit strike one, talking shit, strike two. Won't be a strike three, cause I don't play fair. I'ma look you in your eye while he hit you from the rear. Be like, yeah, holding you up, cause you falling. The Lord ain't coming, so nigga stop calling. You was ballin' a minute ago, in it for dough. Till it was yo, I swear to God I didn't know.
Ain't no sunshine in this home. Only darkness every day. Ain't no sunshine when it's home. Cause when it's home, your niggas know to be gone every time. Cause we gon' play. Yeah, every time. Cause we gon' play. Yeah, every time. Cause we gon' play.
And I know what you think you gon' get. Fuck around with my dough. Just so it ain't no mistakes, this is my show. 1, 2, 3, here I go. Your shit is quick, and your shit is slick, but this shit is thick. Did you hear this shit? Damn right, I can finish it. If you caught that verse without a rewind, you can see mine, but you'll be blind. I'll do it 360 and come up behind. Tap you on your shoulder, have you turning around. Hit you with something that'll have you burning the ground. Be like, damn, ain't nothing left for money but a pile of ash. Life is good, so please enjoy it while it lasts. Cause you know you ain't got much longer to go. The quicker you go, depends on the stronger the flow. When niggas know, I don't give a fuck, right or wrong. But ain't no sunshine when it's on.
Ain't no sunshine when it's on. Only darkness every day. Ain't no sunshine when it's on. Cause when it's on, your niggas know to be gone every time. Cause we gon' play. Yeah, every time. Cause we gon' play. Yeah, every time.